Yeah, I was gonna come in, like up the live. And make sure say y'all follow me if you're not follow me yet. What does I wait for some more people forward? Good afternoon, people. Good evening. Blessings and respect all massive and crew, big up on yourself. A Ragashanti live and on the ears right, you know, and big up on yourself. Alright, while we wait for some people come in, location roll call. Just post which part you watch from. Just post your location. Post which part you watch from. Make we hear what I want. Make we hear one of that. Alright, Mrs. South Carolina, New Jersey. No, which part of Canada, Myrna? Myrna, which part of Canada? Toronto, alright. Poughkeepsie, New York, my one-time stomping ground. The Windy City, it's all about Chicago, Chi-Town. Florida, which part of Florida? The one with the city. New Jersey, NYC, Philly in the building, British Columbia, Canada. Which part of Jamaica one more chance? Oh, which part of Jamaica hit it? Dashika, no, Dakisha Ledford. Which part of Jamaica? Sexy Chanel, Spain Town, large up. Geneva, how you say East Orange, New Jersey? Missy Brooklyn, Missy Bronx, Missy Tampa, Missy Kingston, Missy Maypen, Missy Ottawa, Missy Ochi, Barbican. Remember, you know, as you come in, make sure so you like up the live. And if you're not follow me yet, make sure so you start follow me right away. Missy Lauderdale, Florida, Missy T-Dot. That's Toronto, Barbican in the building. Me say the country name Ocherius. That is a country by itself, you know. Me say Miramar, Florida. Me like over this, so you see. Miramar, Florida got all these little like shops. It just remind me of Europe, you know. It have all these little shops where you can kick back and drink a coffee and read a book or something or whatever, you know. Nice weather and all these things and whatever, you know. And you can pick up yourself. St. Ann, which part of St. Ann is there? Brampton, Canada. A Brampton it name, them a call it India, no? Yo, where them have some name where them a call Brampton, Punjab, or all kind of something. When you go and tell the Indian people in box, when you don't hear, when you go and take step with the Indian people, them say the Indian people them take over Brampton. I be a talkie, them a go with up there, you know. Yo, me say Ochi there again. New York, which part of New York? Browntown, or you mean for put Brownstone? People, make sure someone share the live. Make sure someone follow me. If If you watch me right, you know you not follow me, you need to start follow me right away. Make it happen, make it happen, make it happen, make it happen, see? I rather have some fun in the day, you know. You know I'm gonna put this over here, so I'm gonna pull this over here, so. Honey Rose, where you say, how was Africa? Africa did nice. Ghana always nice, you know. And big up everybody who go on a trip there with me. Do remember, say the other trip, the April trip, walk me right, you know. So if you want to come Africa with me, if you want to come Ghana with me in April or August next year, make sure say on a lock on a spot right now. Make sure say on a lock on a spot right now. Honey Rose, you not come on the next trip. The next trip is April. Or you can come next year August too. Either next year April or next year August, yeah. Ragashanti, I lead them trip up in Ghana, you know. Ghana is a place where every Jamaican for go if you can go. Ghana is a place where every Jamaican for go if you can go. But while the people them are coming, let me see what else, who else are with people there. Somebody there, Queens, I'm a place that are there, some of there. Marlene, big up. I wonder if I'm Marlene that. I wonder if I'm Marlene that do they go on a trip. Carry the goddess, big up yourself, you know, good as large up yourself. Chrissy out of Manchester, yeah, big up yourself, Chrissy. Denver, Colorado, in the building. Over there, so you get the good, like, you know, skiing thing, yeah. Sassy P, big up yourself. Portmore in the place, Portmore for sure. ATL, Atlanta. Paulette from Jersey, large up. Yeah, man. As you forward, if you not follow me, make sure say you follow me. And make sure say you like up your life. Alright. On the Rose. Big up yourself in a blessings. Wanna say good afternoon to you folks. My name is Ragashanti. And me and my mama last picnic. Miss Cherry Wash Belly. Good evening to the item, you see. You know, so I have some video I want to play for you, and I have one right I know. The first one I go play and thing, and I could stop that something and things. So I go kick it off and do remember say don't call me yet, but the numbers them in the live, you can call in the live and then you can do that something you wanna do, wanna call over TikTok about in your box. Yeah, something in your box. Hold on. Okay, all right. I'm gonna bring you oh yeah, watch it now. I sent out that video, yeah, you know. I'm gonna pre that video and hear what that woman have to say. All right, watch it right.
Let me tell you why. They cheat, they lie non-stop. They are so good at gaslighting you. Their egos are so big and they like to have them fed. And they are smooth talkers and charmers. I have always been attracted to West Indian men, especially Jamaican men. I have been to Jamaica more than a dozen times, but don't get it twisted. It's not to look for a husband or a boyfriend. I love the country, the people, the food, the culture. Not looking for a partner. I have had lots of experience with Jamaican men because I do meet them and I do like them and I guess they like me. And so it happens. I'm beginning to see a pattern with these men that I thought as a foreigner I would have a different perspective, a different experience. But as it turns out, it looks like I'm having the same experience as many Jamaican women. This cheating and lying nonstop. It's so common that a male Jamaican friend once told me that it's so common that it's accepted, it's almost widely accepted by both men and women in the culture. Which makes me sad because Jamaican women are so strong, they're so fierce, they're so beautiful that I would never think that they would accept something like that. But obviously, I do not have the same culture So there are things that I will not understand about how the culture works. And maybe they don't. Maybe they don't accept it. Maybe this guy was full of shit, like the rest of them. Connection to that is they are smooth talkers and charmers. They will tell you, oh, you're the only one in my life. I want you to be my wife. I want to have your children. I will do anything for you. I will marry you tomorrow. Ladies, especially foreigners, take it with a grain of salt. Listen to what they say, but don't believe it, because it's not true. A wise friend once told me, what the hell could a man possibly want from a foreigner when they have all these beautiful Jamaican women in Jamaica who they can fuck every day if they want to, who can make food for them every day if they want to? What would they want with you who's from a different country? Yes, you can tell me, oh, it's a different connection between us. It's a special connection. But really, think about it. They have such big egos and they like to have them fed. Here's an example. I was talking to a Jamaican man and his ego was so big and he liked the idea that somebody, me, had strong feelings for him, who was in love with him. And so no matter how toxic he must have known he was and how much he knew he must have been hurting me, he wouldn't let me go. He kept trying to pull me into him again and again and again because he knows that it makes him feel good knowing that I would come back and that I would still have the same feelings for him. I think that's what they do because it makes them feel good. Also, and this gentleman deserves a special mention, although he's not Jamaican, he's Trini. I was engaged to this man a long, long time ago. He cheated on me with at least 10 women. And the only reason how I knew it was at least 10 women was that one of the women who he cheated with realized that he was cheating on her. So she sent me all the names of the other women. Now let me tell you something else about this man. He would come visit me here in Canada. And so he asked her to buy something that he could carry.
Jeez and peace.
And you know what it was? It was a mortar and pestle. Yes, a mortar and pestle. We're talking #1 classic guy here, ladies. Jamaican men, you know, they're good as friends. They're good to have drinks with. They're good to hang out with. They're good to be a pump. However, be very careful. Do not, and I repeat, do not let your hearts touch them with a 10-foot pole. Because you're going to regret it. You're going to get yourself hurt. Learn from my experience. Learn from your past experience. Learn from all our mistakes. And just set yourselves free.
Jesus God, no, good as no. So this lady, I know, the woman, I said, Jamaican man, them a good man, them for no hang out with, you know, and for have fun. And she said, the Jamaican man, them a good pumpers. But she said, don't make your heart go near them with a 10-foot pole, you know? Don't make your heart go near them with a 10-foot pole. She said, Jamaican men, them mouth sweet, them full of lyrics. Yeah, and that she said them nice, good company, them vibesy, a nice man them for round, like you have a good time around them. And again, they are good pumpers. Yeah, but she said, don't fall in love with them because if you do that, you're just dead. I like she tell pan Jamaican man, no like she tell pan Jamaican man. I want to call and tell me about it, you know, calling right now. The number them, you know, so over Twitter we can't give out the number them. So, I want to call in and tell me about it and thing. The numbers are there. Remember now, you have a regular number for call and you have a WhatsApp number, all right? You have a regular number if you're in the United States or Canada and you can call a number there straight. And you also have a WhatsApp number. So, I'm going to say the number them one time because you know you can't to say them over TikTok here because them not joined or something there. All right. So me go set the number them one time, you know, and then on a call in and tell me what you think about that lady and a call in about anything else you want to call in about. All right. So if you call from the United States or Canada and you call straight the number. Well, I know my number. my number and I sit, man. Well, I know. If you call on WhatsApp, the number is 929-400-1249. That is outside of the United States or Canada, right? So it's 929-400-1249. I can't say it again, but it in my bio. All right. And Sana, a.k.a. Apple. Remember Miss Merle? Of course, remember Miss Merle. Miss Merle was my helper. I'm a good friend too. What you mean if I remember Miss Merle? Right? Miss Merle was my link for years and years and years. You know, Miss Merle wash and clean for me when me there at Jamaica or whatever. You understand? Oh, you are a daughter? All right, big up Sana, a.k.a. Apple. Large up yourself, you know, good as. All right, what going with Mama? What going with Mama Merle? She good? We little drop out? A lie. Your sister drop out? When little drop out? John, no, I'm not telling you, know, people, no, just enjoy every day, you know, because I tell you, the place, the world set up way right, you know. Give me a link when the show done. I just left a link with me and thing, all right? A little drop out. Okay. All right, dear man, big up yourself, you know. Well, and I remember the number by heart, you know, I'm going there and see me. All right. No. So the other number now, if you're calling at the United States or Canada, it's right there, people. If you just look up on and see the number. If you call, you know, in the United States or Canada, I'm going to say the number one time. 585-596-0606. All right? But if you not call upon WhatsApp, you have to call the 929 number. All right? And again, the numbers are in my bio on TikTok. Right? Some want to call him about anything you want to call him about. You know the drill? Or you call in and respond to that Asian lady who said, boy, the Jamaican man, them a problem. Why this woman a tell lie on the Jamaican man, them? How she fit do that? Right? You know? We should talk about the Jamaican man, them and whatever. She about Jamaican man, them wouldn't get born. How she fit do that? How she tell lie on Jamaican man, but don't love them and don't give them your heart and thing and whatever, you know? Basically, she say, yo, if you're going to date a Jamaican man, you know, don't even bother get too deep with him, you know. Just have a good time. Have a good time with them and take the good sort out. She said it. The Jamaican man them can put it on good as she said. You understand? That the lady has said. But don't get deep with them because she said that's something that not gonna work. Yeah? Lie she tell pan we. Lie she tell pan Jamaican man, but Jamaican man get born. Lie she lie. Make she lie, son. All right, me need another call. Me need another call and talk to me about anything I want to talk to me about that thing. You know, set on the call them right now. This is a talk show. I want to say big up to the people them there. Dog bite, big up. Dog bite say we are crosses. Dog bite, talk for yourself, you know. Talk for yourself. Me, I don't know crosses. I lie she tell upon Jamaican man. Because Jamaican man them don't give on. She wicked. Yes. Jamosa said she never tell a lie. Nicky Boo said Jamaican man give bakery. GT Princess said she's not lying. determined say a true she talking. Sonia say she don't lie. One too wicked. Yeah, see a good behaving you. I never said that, boy. Jamaican man, them don't give on. Where she get that from? Alright, you don't need for calling, you know, and talk up is something that make we hear. Remember, you know, can't call in about anything you don't want calling about, alright? Calling about anything you don't want calling about. And sitting and whatever make we hear what go on, alright? Alright, she call him a come in, you know. Greetings.
Hi, good evening, Raga. Good evening.
Wait there, 1 second. Warning, this behavior is not in line with our policies and may result in gifting suspension.
What, Jesus?
Reason, reproduce content. But you know, and guidance. Well, we don't have to play a video over here.
Raga, I don't know what TikTok work.
You don't know what TikTok work? So we don't have to play a video over here.
I don't know.
You know, TikTok was full of rules and all these things.
Them very strict on TikTok though, I know that.
Oh, see the people that must say, no, we don't have to pay. What you said to me, you serious? No, bother with the 20, no, bother start with the 21 thing. It's there, you just not see it. When it doing a TikTok studio, you don't see it, alright? So no bother start beating about the 21 thing. Again, you not see it. But no, it's not the music. Cause people tell me say you can't play music over here. Not only that, the music when me I play, me pay for a streaming service to play this music right here. So it's not copyrighted music, alright? Anyway, where you say call talk to me, you know?
No, we are talking about the also Jamaican man don't cheat.
Yeah, why the woman tell that they lie there? Why the woman tell such a big lie on Jamaican man?
You know, he's a wicked man.
Me?
You know the truth.
Me, what you talk about?
Me don't know your story, but you tell you look something them and you can read between the lines. Right?
I don't know what you're talking about. I'll hear this woman I say that Jamaican man them Gibbon and thing and them terrible and whatever. And I don't know about that. A lie she tell about Jamaica.
Oh yeah, I got to say that. Okay, so you need to ask the woman them because the man them you're a male and then your friend them not gonna tell you.
Alright, so what you have to say about it? What you have to say about it then?
I have because them give bond them is a dirty set. The one of them is a dirty set. Them is a lie.
What you say? The one of them is a dirty set. Them dirty Jamaican men.
I think it's a cultural practice. Because remember, so them grow up, a man to have enough girl in a bungalow and be the man sing the song there, and then they grow up and say, you're not a man if you not have enough woman, if you can't pull a woman. Like growing up, we see it, and then as an adult, like even my little cousin them and stuff, we see them for them in order for them to feel masculine, or them have to have woolly woman. Then, even me, like my husband, I know him say it, me divorce him, me call in and tell the story, but him that teeth, me know so the dirty man their teeth, I'm left him and then them can't take the bun back, And the funny thing is them don't know if he give bun. Because when them give bun, them always get catch. And we give them bun and them don't know. We all give bun with them best friend and make them share the honor. All of us sit down at the table and all of we have at their dinner and them a talk to them and know we give bun with and them don't know. Only don't know if he give bun but you no love give bun. Jamaican man give bun.
No, hold on. Me not understand you. You start by saying the Jamaican man have some dirty man them because them give bun and whatever this and that. And then you segue and go on and I say, only give bun better than the Jamaican man them and all them.
Yeah, no, but I'm saying, no, the reason why I am saying women, Jamaican women, I think so we start match the energy because I think women, at least I can speak for myself and the Caribbean women, and not even Caribbean women, like even my American friends, they love Jamaican men. But when they find out all them say, my God, man, only discussing them.
No, wait, what you just said a while ago, them start match the energy. So what you said, like the woman them a give bun because the man them a give bun?
Yes.
No, sir, no, you're too wicked right there, sir. You're wicked right there, sir. And God, I listen you. Mind God box in your neck. Mind God box in your neck. When me I say, you are make it look like, say, the Jamaican, was sweet you are make it look like, say, the Jamaican woman, them no cool to and do what them want do and take who them want take
they
to.
Are.
Oh,
now listen to me.
Thank you.
The man them start in my experience, and the man them started first. I can't talk.
And the man them started first. No.
Yes.
No.
Listen, hello, me not argue with you, sir. But just I tell you, they ask me to call in and tell me story. Me tell you my viewpoint.
Yeah.
The man them is a dirty set. I'm say if you burn him with him father and him brother and him pitney, burn him because them dirty and nasty. Them don't have no. Them don't care. Them don't care. Them don't care about you. And then why we must care about them? And then one thing them can't take bun. Them cannot take bun. Just when you burn them balance, then call on Christ. Them never be a Christian, you know. Them talk
well,
like
that are true. Them find God and thing when bun reach them are true.
Me?
No, but here when me I say, boo. Alright, here I know. Because don't tell me if I'm wrong with this. You know what I notice with enough woman? When you not deal with a man, when you not 200 with a whatever, you will bond a man there, you know. But when you not deal with a man who you love, another man there you want, and whatever, this and that, you don't want, and you not go bond a man there, and a man there end up a bond, you know. You make it look like say are the worst, and why man so wicked and all them something they conveniently forgetting that when you did attack to man who did a dead over you never like that, you kill them man they with bun. Talk you got truth. When you did a date, well me ask you a question. No. When you did a date man before your husband, I want you talk it truth because you know nothing for proof to nobody. When you did a date man, I make me sit down up straight because me I wait for your answer, me all excited for your answer. When you did a date man before your husband, you never born them.
I did. And you know what?
No, my God, no, you tell the truth. No, my give thanks, you tell the truth.
No, but me tell you, I was young. I was very young. Me tell you, maybe I need to know. But
she said, I was young.
I one time I lie. No. I one time I lie. No, me not lie, Raga.
Yeah.
Me usually tell you. Me bare face. I always tell the truth.
Right.
One time, this one guy, I liked him. I really did like him. And me talk to date my ex-husband now. And me talk to the other guy. Me never know who me go like pick.
Yeah.
Right? But me never tell. Neither of them knew I was dating somebody else. And me bring the other guy over my house. And my ex-husband did made a like, what do you call it? One picture frame with like a collage with us. If it got the eye, the damn sitting.
Oh, when you bring over the other man and him go see the picture of the collage with you and him and your
yes, him see it and him say I want to go on here so him, and I didn't lie. I say, yeah, you know me, I date somebody and he gave it to me as a gift and front the man he turned him the man said, me ain't like I want this but you're careless. But me never lie. But typically that was the only time I lied.
Well on. So after you keep it 100 with him and say, no, you know, my dad date somebody and I him give me that time, whatever. Wait. So when did it start out that day there?
Honest, you know, so me no member.
You no member. So but you mean after that, what him do? Him cut after that and Lego?
Yeah, whenever they talk, me notice him get distant and him did come from Jamaica and him did want there's something there. And me think say when him say, oh, me that deal with somebody who never really need that the kind of sort out there, you know me I talk about. Like, oh, what should I pick me?
No, man, talk it in a code, man. You know we can't. What you mean? What?
Me don't know if you talking. Him did want the paper something.
Him did want the paper something?
Yeah.
Oh, him did want in papers.
Yes.
Okay. So him never. Him never straight, and him did want, you know, him did want to do a thing to get him. All right.
Absolutely.
Right.
And so I think when him realized, we cannot deal with somebody where after that already, he must say, well, you know, I never did give no indication to mother give no papers, to be honest.
Oh, okay.
Me think him say, this not gonna away. So the man dropped me like a bad. I mean, like, you know, to be honest, would I give to him? But he like him.
Yeah, really and he would have get it done. He would have get it done because he did a move right.
You see, you said, oh, I'm there with the dirty nasty. Married the dirty anyway. I had 2 beautiful kids all the time, but that man there is a nasty man.
Oh, your ex-husband.
I should have never picked him. You know, so me pick wrong.
No, but you never have no good times with him.
You know what that?
No, so you're kind of hesitant this one. You never have no good times with him.
No, I don't. I can say I was probably in a different headspace. When I think back about him, I don't know. I think me just think me do what me think me supposed to do. Me not lie. Me not lie.
So well, and you know your husband, you know, but you did love him, and there must be reasons why you did love him.
No. I loved him because he was a family man. The man and daughter road in, but that was the problem. Him and daughter road, but all him do is sit down in the house every day. Not morning, noon, and night. He go work and he come back and he sit down. You can't sit down in the house so every day and I do nothing. Hold
on. When you burn out your husband, where you burn him out for? Why him did workless? Why you did that?
He wasn't a visionary, and he wasn't a bad person, but I just don't think we aligned. We got married because we didn't like each other. We think we get caught up in the whole sexual aspect of it. We didn't get to know each other and figure out, do we really have the same value systems? And I think it did work out, and then we have kids, and then we realize, you have to plan. When you have kids, you have to plan things, you have to plan them future, you have to...
But when me are here, you burn him out, you're very passionate.
No, but the man keep on me. The man is a dirty dog.
Then that may I ask you, so in Borneo then, in Borneo.
Me think so. Me can't prove it, but me think him bunny.
What you mean you think him bunny, but you can't prove it and thing like that, and you call the man a dirty man and this and that and whatever, but you can't prove it. Me not understand you. You confuse me. You confuse me.
You know what? You have to confuse yourself.
No, because you want me to say, right, everybody will listen you and I say, me I tell you, I bet you some people call in and give it to you. When me I say, what you say to me, you there said the dirty man, and you for bunny man taking bread. Hold on. Let me talk. I stop going like you want to come drink me up and back to me. Listen to me. No, you earlier said the dirty man, for bun them and take them bread and take them fire and whatever this and that. So what we are hearing is that your ex-husband do you some wicked cool something, And that's why I hear, say him take it in on an evil level, like him diss you to the max. And then when we get clarification now, what we hear from you is that, no, I don't know if him did burn me, but I think so. And he was a nice man, he was a nice family man, and this and that, and way. No, sir, yeah, confused me.
All right, so we can't talk now?
Talk now. Mm-hmm.
Let me tell you. So for me, when we meet the man, we had a plan, right?
Yeah.
And everything come really young. Like he's 7 years older than me, and he said we're gonna build this life, we're gonna do this thing. And when we're there, it come like say, me I work and me I make this thing, and me not make this thing. All me know say when me come from work, me work 12-hour shift. When me come home, me have to come home come cook. Me have to clean.
Wait, one second. Second chance 963. Oh, I think them tag people for say come in. All right, go on talk. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I was always very tired, and there was not much support at home, right?
Oh. Mm-hmm.
And may I say like me not really understand your story, and he never have time. Like would I come home and want us like de-stress and share my day, like what happened, like emotionally, and he would never have time. He not have time for that. He just depend on the TV and whatever. But when, for whatever reason, I don't know, all me go check the phone log.
Mm-hmm.
And me check the phone log, text message and call from the minute he left the yard till the minute he come home. The times were always consistent. He might text and I call the same number, as him leave the house to go work, and by the time he come home, he not talk to the person. And there were a couple of days when I went out with my friends, and you see, anytime I go out, the calls and the texts were from his phone to that number were there. But when me go home, nothing go on so, like after work hours. So I said, no, something wrong. So when me used to call him at work, like me I call upon, like we check up on him throughout the day, he not have time to talk, he's busy. Me say, well, you're busy, so you're busy. But you're busy for me, me. You can't talk to me for 2 minutes, but you're on the phone with whoever you're on the phone with for 22 minutes. Like, it was extended period of time. So I said, oh, yeah, talk to somebody on the phone. So me call the number. And when I call the number, it's a woman answer and she said, she get attitude with me. She don't want to me say, you know this person, etc., etc. She give me attitude. She don't want to answer because I'm telling you, I have no problem with it.
Well on. So you call the number, when you call the number, and the woman answer, oh, she go on, she say what?
Yeah, she give me attitude, and me never do again attitude. Because honestly, she doesn't owe me anything. I'm me and him there.
Right.
Him owe me everything.
So what you did ask her? What you ask her? What you ask her when you call?
I identified myself. I said I'm such and such person. Me see the number. Then me explain the backstory, and I'll try to find out what's going on before I approach him. And I would appreciate if you would give me some insight, right? But she never in that, me love. Be a problem. She bad me up and me say, listen to me. Me not in that. You notice I'm not calling with no attitude. You don't want to answer me, it's fine. But me say, me not angry with you. And you don't owe me anything. He owes me everything. And then she said, oh, our friend, I didn't talk all the time and da. But she still never did tell me no story. Whatever. So when him come home now, me print out.
Well, did she tell you point blank say she and him not in a nothing? I just friend.
Yeah. That
okay.
She tell me.
Okay, that she tell you. Okay.
She tell me that. And then me print out all of the call logs and the text. Me print out everything. And when he come home, me ask him and him. I say, oh, nothing. Me say, we are calling. Me notice and me call you enough time, whatever. And him a lie. And then me present it to him. And then he say, oh, my friend. And she got you this and that. And then me have to deal with him case.
What you mean deal with him case? What you mean now?
What you mean? Me no fight the boy.
You fight him? What you do? Thump him up on him something there?
Yes.
Him fight you back? Him fight you back? I'm just low, yeah. I'm holding and shake you.
No, man, he never fight me back. He say, yeah, go on it a bag of foolishness, whatever, and he left. But I saw other things later on in the relationship, like, I never saw any text from him, but I saw text from women texting him, and they couldn't have been texting him unless he invited that energy. Right?
Oh, okay.
And so and then he never, when I said, hey, we need help, or our relationship is going down, we need like counseling, because I never wanted to get a divorce, right? I've always said, people make mistakes, and when, me not agree, me was not the easiest person to be doing a call. One thing with me, me confrontational, but I may go on with myself, and he's not that type of person.
Oh,
yeah.
So you think that probably contribute to you being unattractive to him because it wear him down?
Oh, absolutely.
Lord
yes, absolutely.
Jesus, when you talk up is something them know and I make we know what go on.
No, but then out of my fault, him pick a woman. So if you
hold on. Were you disrespectful to him? Were you disrespectful to him?
Of course.
Jeez and peace.
Me don't tell no lie.
Listen to me, man. Listen to me. Man, I talk to you and whatever, right? We men, we can put up with nothing in a relationship and whatever. You know what we can't manage. I disrespect it. Make our body dead, you know. You know. You laugh, you must think a joke thing or whatever. Listen to me, I tell you this. Disrespect make our body dead. Disrespect make our body dead. Right? Man, we can't manage disrespect. Worse when somebody who we rate and love. And you can't.
No, you can't rate me.
Hold on, man. You know, what me I say is up, you go through your ups and downs or whatever. You want a man draw away from you eventually. Unless you know, say you have them get a man that them just love the dysfunctionality in a relationship. You know, I saw them get validation. You know that, right? So, No. What I mean is, you have couples out there who them just have this kind of caustic, toxic energy where them want. Them like that, right? So you have those couple, and you have the Monday. You know the Monday where you there get to and them I say, boy, she love me, you know, because I know she love me because I can't talk to the girl that I chat to a girl, she want to ask them and stuff. When she love me. You know them idiot people, right? You know, say them did it. But I say separate from them people who the essence of their relationship and the way that the union is validated and the way that they're individually, existentially affirmed and validated, separate from them people who want the violence and the argument and the cussing and them cuss. You have some people, you know, in a relationship, you know, if them not cuss, the sex not nice, you know.
No, about that.
No, me I tell you,
not
say you have people
yourself.
out there like that. So I say,
No, I've
right.
heard those stories.
Separate from them people, in general, man will put up with enough things from woman, me I tell you that. Enough things man will put up and stay in a relationship. But one thing we can't manage in a long run, upfront, in your face disrespect. It emasculates us. You know?
I know.
And it make the
actually,
woman unattractive. Yeah.
And so what I have to say to that, I wish I had, the minute I had recognized that this was not a good fit for me, I would have just left instead of continuously, because I badgered him over and over. I badgered him to say, you say you're going to do this, and you're going to do it. Because my biggest issue was he made promises over and over that he never fulfilled.
Well, no, that is not good. That is not good. No, that is not good.
Yeah, and instead of me saying, recognizing, oh, me didn't know, say he never gonna do it, but maybe I push him to do something that that's not who he is. I wanted him to be somebody who he was not.
Right.
And until me recognize, me say, you know what? You force this man. You love the man, but I know what you want. I know who him is. You know, and just
him drop the catch this up, because on the other hand, woman will put up with crosses with a man, you know, who is there and he's reliable. He's reliable, and him take care of what him for take care of, which give her that thing that is the first priority for women in relationship, which is security. Right.
I was just about to say that. I never felt secure.
You never feel secure, and it's a theme fault that. A theme fault that.
And you know what? But you know why though? For the first 2 years, I handle things, and so when it came time for us to have, when we had our baby, it was, I needed help. I needed, because I juggle work, full-time work, I juggle full-time school and a newborn.
And him never did the way him should have done. Him never step up the way him should have.
And all me a beg and a fall, and him never did do it. And me I say, yo, you can't help me. And he couldn't. He not come like in him, and say, yeah, angle this for how long? Why you can't do it?
No, him drop the catch this, so him get, that wear you out, man. Them something there, wear out woman, and you not get that support there. Him not dead if you and whatever help out the way him for help out, which is important.
There you go. And that's the biggest thing. And then me get the little inkling and me see the little, me not get all me have stress out myself, and me say, okay, whatever. Me not get no hug up. Me still
attention, right.
Try. And then the man go tell me, oh, you know what tell me what really bothered me?
What?
And my best friend did it, and me nearly kill him in there.
When tell
us? I should me have a little he say, what you have a little degree, then I make you go on to pass.
Lord Jesus, you can't. You shouldn't go there.
When me meet him, I say to him, say, when me meet you, me know say you never have a degree. When me meet you, me know say you never rich. Me breed for you. One time, me married to you. Me breed to you a second time, me married to you, and then me decide to buy a house with you. All of that, never change. I never know money, I never know education I have. I must love what I have for you.
See.
So all you got to throw that in my face. I can't none of that. I must love you.
No, yeah, what go on. I want to bang some other call, but no, him never step up the way him should have step up when, you know, relationships go through tiers and gradations and whatever, and you know, and you had some psychological needs there that he was not satisfying and thing, and it sound to me like you hold it for a while, you try, and him never did a come through and a step up and thing, you know, on a minimal level. May I listen to you and you never did want perfection from him, but you just want to know, say, I get some, you know, a reasonable amount of support and thing for say the two in this together and get your attention. To woman love attention and affirmation from the man who them care about, but it sound like you never did get that, because him did also distracted and all these things. So you know, you have my support this and understanding there. God, you know, you did that with me. They would have good, because me love change nappy and all them something there. Me love change diaper. Yeah. No, I was that, you know. Yeah, me love jump for change and thing, and me love when they pick me.
That's good though.
Well, I me love when me a change and they pin in the pan them back, and you know them have a look at time when them just look pan you see them a study you. Me say me live for them that sitting there, you know. Oh my God, me they love them something there. Anyway, big up yourself here, and I'm love your energy because I listen to you how you talk. I know say you beard today. So big up yourself. No, you have that talk. They like my beard. You have that my beard already talk. Yeah, the whole time you talk, me pick it up like you have my beard already talk and whatever. So big up yourself for that. All right, bless up yourself.
All right, take care.
All right, love and blessings, man. Cool. Yo, we're there. The car lead and talk up or the one talk up. You know, we'll have it like somebody like what come in over here. So me see somebody. Let me see somebody will come say something and thing. Hello?
No, don't say hello. Say highly blessed and honorable.
How this voice you sound so?
No, I see him voice so you think of it. And the day must it's serious. I would jump asleep, tell them for wake up. Hear the voice, them get shake up.
I like you tell my brother, what you say me G? Wagwan Demos.
Raga.
Yo.
Raga.
Wow.
Raga.
Yeah.
They're gonna say something to the eye now. See?
Yeah.
You know, the last time in a couple of years when I raising up, I in a vineyard town. Right at Grafton Road, 7 Grafton Road.
I want to remind me, because you know me, I get old there now, yeah.
The needle stuck in my ass.
Me say, let go the whole thing, man, and I tell me about all. Me say,
yeah.
The last time I raced with you,
yeah,
is in Vineyard Town.
See it?
With my brethren Bobby, right next door to Mikey Bennett's studio.
Cool, man. Remember now, man. I true ya talk. Yeah.
All right. So, the levels, when me I say, you know what, I see up on the thing from the other day, and me I say, you know, I need to talk to Raga, me I try get to Raga. I mean, can't get to Raga because you're so busy on the thing.
That's how it go, man. That's a word, man. See?
You see me, I say, but you see the business of the eye is positive.
Give thanks.
Conscious and respectable because, you know, the eye always I try educate people, uplift people and teach them the rights from, you see me, I say, I love that.
See it there.
You see me? And right now, me I tell you, Raga, you know what's somebody out of Jamaica? I live in Jamaica right now still, you know.
Yeah. So a beer breeze are blowing on your phone still. Demos, a beer breeze are blowing on your phone, you know.
That I for sure you some of the near where the storm out for drop, you know.
Yeah. Well, Eileen passed on
already. On the Louisiana side there, so the storm out for come on Florida still.
Right, so over that side there, okay, yeah, ratted, yeah.
So, my side there, I say, let me show it, Raga. And give Raga a little blessing and show him the love, cause
give thanks,
he's an honorable brother, you know.
Give thanks, man. A Junior Demos people who ask, I'm a brethren dog bite ask. A Junior Demos, man. Wanna not hear the voice? Nobody can imitate this voice. Nobody can imitate this voice. You understand?
Woman the ears.
Yeah.
I love the eye and respect the eye.
Give thanks.
So you got to, may I show you something, Raga? You got to a whole heap of criticism and all kind of thing.
Yeah.
But the eye, hold the eye composure and build the eye self and do it for do. That's even someone who criticize you, wanna be a friend of you.
Yeah.
And you still never let them down. You bring them in. You're real, man.
Yeah. You know, say I'm a lawyer now, and what day somebody call me for retain me and whatever. And somebody used to beat up my nastiness at Jamaica and whatever. I say, watch her. She come to me and want me to come work for her. You know, I'm not taking work just to me stay, you know. I'm not taking work. I know, I'm not trust her. You never like me, because I don't know if I come here, come set me up.
Oh God Almighty, you're one of the greatest. You know I'm loving you. You be yourself.
Give thanks. Yes.
And if a man can't love you for you or anyone can't love you for you, don't love you none at all.
You see it. Not say a word, man. But they must, you know, say, that storm, Helena come up on in a category 3 hurricane and so you put things in place to make sure say everything's safe for you and your loved ones.
Bingy.
Yeah.
Me set it, me have it in pack. me and my wife put together and make sure so we try our best to make sure everything alright in our general.
Balance. See it there. Mad thing. Mad.
And we even look out for our neighbor, even though you know say in a foreign people not really look back for them one another in a certain way, you know.
Yeah,
you don't see your neighbor unless them
unfortunately,
drive out, you know. But I personally look out for them and them always I say, boy, he's a real Jamaican.
See it there. Give thanks. Give thanks.
And me not take up the program too long.
Yeah.
Me just as a blessing.
Give thanks.
Honorable, enough love, my brother.
Yeah, man. Protection, man. Respect for the ailments and all and thing. And big up your wife and your family for me, you know. Yeah, sir.
Thank you, my general.
All right, protection. Cool.
All right.
The original Demos, that, you know, people. Well, you had Nicodemus and then a junior Demos that. So let me careful when I say the original Demos and thing and whatever. And people remember now, if you watch the show and you not follow me, you need to start follow me right now, all right? Just follow Ragashanti right now and make sure say you tap your screen and like the live. Make sure you tap your screen and like the live. See what a caller come in on the WhatsApp. You tap the screen and like the live. And also make sure say you follow me right now. All right? Follow me. Okay, greetings. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. What's up?
Hi, Raga.
How you do?
Raga, you hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you good, man.
Raga, you see them Jamaican man here? Them take the bun out of bun and cheese.
Jesus. Why you going to say something like that? No, why?
No, man. Them terrible, man.
What you mean? Jamaican man, them give bun different?
Differently.
No, explain why Jamaican man bunning just more terrible like than why?
Imagine, Raga, just imagine live with somebody, you know.
Yeah.
And they're living with an overthinker. And then you are putting ones and one together, making two.
Mm-hmm.
And the mother tell you, no, Koso. Nothing like that. Imagine you go to a party
mm-hmm.
and you're going to send your spouse a picture that you took.
Mm-hmm.
And after you take the picture, you send it to your spouse. The spouse will look into it and go see you. You know the look where you give your spouse, you give it to somebody else. So who took the picture? No, just one of your friends. You give your friend that look there, that look there.
No, hold on. So him go on party, you know, and send you a picture from the party we take off him,
mm-hmm.
right? And then when you look on the picture now, explain the part that you what you see in terms of the look when have what you see?
You know the look when they give you say, come, let's go. May I put the code? Yeah. You know we can't say certain things.
Yeah. Like him going to look and say, John, I want to jump up in your belly right now and thing and whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. And you get that from a look in at the picture?
From a look in at the picture.
Hold on. Something I play around you where I look back, you know? See, turn it off for me now, please. You have something I play there?
No, turn the pause the computer.
Yeah.
Hear it?
Yeah, no, but I hear it now. Okay. No, you know, so what you just say a while ago, deep. Me there all long, I never hear something like, hold on. You did there with a man, him there one event and send you a picture, can I send you a picture now, you know, and whatever, and him,
yeah.
And you know, so me
still hear it. It's like he's in a.
Let me give you the context. Hold on, me still hear the something, you know, me hear it back a little. What you the pan speakerphone, you piece of Bluetooth?
No, man.
Yeah, man, something I loop my voice, man. Something. Yeah, me I hear it.
Alright, it gone.
Check. Yeah, man, we still hear it, you know. Yeah, man, we hear it loud. Yeah, man, it's very disconcerting too, you know. Well, are you on earpiece? Oh God, we hear it.
Take it off.
We hear it. It's really a echo and a loop.
I don't know when hear it now. You still hear it?
Check. All right, good, yeah. So, yeah, man, so explain that part then. When you look on the picture, The look what you see upon your man face. No, Lord God, you kill
No.
him, man. It
The
a
same look
come
where
back,
that
man.
give me.
Well, no, man, the thing a come back, man. No, man, it a, yeah, man, it really,
But me don't know when you hear it, Raga. Me don't know when
No,
you hear
but
what
me
your
I
phone
tell you,
is.
we are all hearing it. Do you have another phone where you have the thing I play upon?
Yeah, but me don't know when you hear any one of them.
Darling, just listen to me now, man. You have to, whatever it is I play the show, where you are talking right now, you have to turn it off. You see, there it a come, man. It a kill the show. Turn it
I'm
off.
call back.
All right, cool. People when on a call in, if you not listen to something, you need to turn it off. Worse, when things broadcast through internet, it's delayed. So we don't want to hear back the thing where we are up on the show. And I need to tell you, when I listen, you hear it sound disconcerting, right? It not balance up one way, okay? Okay, all right then, cool. Let me see something else now. Let me see me bring in somebody else now. Baby, do. Wait, well, a person I try bring in somebody, but it not come in. All right, so it look like that person must have gone. It look like a person gone do, so make we disconnect that one. Like a person they gonna use the bathroom and thing and whatever. We could try something. One next one, I'm doing baby. I want to look like I want to not come in either, All right, we'll go that one here too. We got more. Try this one, Hello. Wagwan. Hello.
You hearing me?
Yeah, boy, you're low,
All right, you hear me better now?
Me hear you better now. Come I wonder if you're under the people in bed.
No, I am not. I'm just want to answer something.
Hello.
Look like a signal, bad Raga man.
Who for signal?
My own.
Okay, yeah, something I go on, cause you go in and out. We don't know what happen.
All right, this one she talk about the looking at. That is so true. You can look in a.
No, we not. Yeah, get this started and cut off,
Hear me? You still not hear me?
Yeah, but yeah, go in and out. This started and.
My God.
Are you on earpiece or Bluetooth? Are you on earpiece or Bluetooth? All right, people, we're gonna call in, boy. See if we can, balance up on it. No, but that's something that what she said, like that deep, Say a woman can look on her man in a picture. And him there somewhere, him there one event. But based on the look on him face, she know him so well that the look on him face there, him can have a unique look when she say, no man, him have a woman there who him there with and whatever. Based on that look upon him, without even seeing woman. Anything can, listen to me. Anything can go so. A woman can look on a picture with a man at one event. And the man have a look on him face when she look on it and say, yes, him have one girl let's say with him. Him have one girl with him and her dugu. Him and her hook. One girl there with him and her do the something with them. And how him for do that? What a wicked man. And you don't see the woman, you don't know nothing or whatever, and you see that, and you can confidently say that. Anything can go so. Let me see what the people them say. Goldface say nothing no go so. Tony and say yes, Roxy say yes. Ira determined say yes. Jill say yes. You the woman them a roll out. Cherry say yes. No, sir, what going with them over there? Ella say yes. Look on dirty dog bite, all nastiness dog bite. Him say yes. Rudy say yes. What? I mean, Crystal say yes. Craig Tan say I lie. I don't know. Yes, John. No. People, when me used to bad, me game the tight, Yeah, my burning game the tight, me did good, And me can't tell you all kind of thing about, craft with burning and thing. Me never think about something like this. Me never think about something like this. I say, yo, make sure, say, be aware, right? And me a boy, when people all tell me lie, them mouth I tell lie, but them eye say something else, Me can pick up them something there, Me train for them thing there, Like most people don't know, say, them body communicate more of what them I said than them mouth. Right? I learned that. I was trained for that. Them say 80 to 98% of all communication is non-verbal. So we were trained to see what people do with them eyes, how them slant them body and thing when them are engaged in a deception, what happen. Me the bad part, but me never yet a thing about the expression on your face in one picture like one video. Bombard star. That's why I tell you, say you don't stop learn. Because you say me I learn today. I am learning today. That me I tell you now. All right. We go see what I go on here. See if we can get the next somebody else. Greetings. Oh, hold on. Let's see if it come true. Yeah, in the meantime, I just want to big up all who be here today. I don't know my thing. I just say big up all who be here and if you swap up 2 times and thing and whatever. Big up the woman them who are beard with wait name the soap first. Like bar soap, and then on a beard with on a body wash after and thing. We know about that something they are going large up on yourself, big up all them people who are doing a good. Hello? 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 Yeah, turn off the thing so we not hear it here. Here? Hello? Hello? No, not going too bad today now, John, no, not going too bad today now, man. I'm not cool up your show, man. Hello? Yo. Hello?
What?
Where you do? Big man, where you do? John, no, move right, all right. Yo, people, no work with me, no, man. Do me a beg, no work with me, no, man. When you call in, make sure so I'm ready for talk. Cut off when you listen, 1 hour and thing. All right, just cut off that, so, cause when you're not ready, I want to come in and sit, cool up your show, all right? And everybody would there make sure, so, tap on the screen and like your show. Tap on the screen and like the show. And if you're not follow me, make sure say you follow me, all right? I remember the numbers are in my bio too if you don't want to call. If you just want to call in. See me, I take a number, Greetings.
Greetings, Raga, I am back.
You're back?
As I was saying to you.
Yes.
Yes, as I was saying to you.
Mm-hmm.
The picture was in a motel.
Mm-hmm.
You're going for a dinner. And the way you take the picture is like with that F look. You're looking at the person with that look.
With that F look?
So, yes.
Hold on. The motel, so him did tell us he must stay at the motel, right? Because him up on the road, right?
No, he just tell me say I got the event.
So when say it was a motel?
Because me and you always go to the motel, so me know.
Jesus God, don't tell me say one motel where you and him used to go do anything at that same motel them there with the you serious?
As me say, me just analyze because I am not there. So you call me and tell me say, yo, B, say me I go XY and XY, I want to start party.
Right.
Then you send me the picture after the event. So you send me picture, And then when me analyze the photo, me say, who take the picture? You can't tell me who take the picture. Me say, so why you give a person that look there? Me not understand that. Then you deny the fact of everything. Then you are going to send your sister the picture of you and the person who was at the event. Not knowing that the sister was going to show your mom and your son would see the picture and come back and tell your mother, say, me see daddy and XY down in a lap. So now everything just put together.
Well, on. So the same picture and one different picture him send to him sister.
Him send the picture with only him alone to me.
Right.
But him send the picture with him and the person to the sister.
Oh.
So the sister now assure the mother, say, look, this are XY and XY.
Yeah.
So your son now go and see the picture.
Yeah.
And come and call mommy and tell mommy, say. So everything just confirm right there. The same thing when mommy asks about and you deny.
All I want to chat. Hold on. Jason, you talk about Raga slow man. When you go man, I make me run me show. Me know what me I do. Hold on. You see some of them just love chatting, you know. You see sometimes me pick up what I go on, but me I run the show, you know. So me I make you talk some more and elaborate on something we go on like me know. You know what me I say? But two them love commentate and love this. When you go man, I go wash in the bathroom. Okay. Me say them love commentate, you see, and thing and whatever, you know. But people who are listening all the while, them know some do them something all the while, you know. Them know, you know, and them like Raga know what go on, you know, but him just want to flesh out the thing some more, whatever. Because you know, say me are the drought king. Don't you know that? A long time you listen me, don't it, Carla?
Long time.
Yeah.
Long
and then
time.
some know I'm look at thing, but them loving at the chat and go on like say this and that and whatever. I can't bet say them shoes are big brother foreign. Anyway, go on talk here. Yeah. Yeah, go on talk. Mm-hmm.
Then no, your son will come tell me, say no, okay, mommy, daddy not supposed to be with nobody else but you and him, so him not talk to nobody else as he was only 7 years old.
Wow.
And him a come and him a tell him mommy that. So me say, okay then. So me confront the dad about it and him deny the fact.
Yeah.
So me say, all right, no problem. So me start get to understand, so you start drift.
Yeah.
You start drift away.
Or like,
so you
like
with somebody.
him a drift from you.
Yeah, so you been with somebody for 17 years, you understand the person. Like that.
Right. You have an organic connection to him, right? Correct.
Exactly. So you start realizing the person that drift away. So you say, okay, then you give them space.
Mm-hmm.
But you still analyze the fact of everything we are going on. You
Indeed.
can have your family members call you and tell us that them see X and X a certain place. Because people have the back like that.
Right.
Because knowing that you are not there.
Oh, so other people start seeing certain place too and thing and start get heads up.
All right. So then you're not put no pressure upon it, you know. You're not put no pressure upon it.
Right.
But when your next door neighbor, I go call you and tell her, say, yo, be careful, roofs.
Yeah.
I say, okay.
Yeah.
No problem. So you know what you do now?
What you do?
As a person in the streets and grew up in the streets.
Yeah.
You send one of your chopper go to the yard, go trap.
You send
one of your chopper go to the yard. One of your thugs, one of your dogs, them go to the yard, go do some work. Because you have work to do at the yard. So you send one of your dogs, them go to the yard, go, you know.
We go which yard? Go which yard? Which yard?
Your yard, the same yard where the man live.
So you send one of your dog, them go over the yard, go do what?
Go work, because me have work to do at the yard. They make sure no say, they report back to me.
No, so
but the person don't know that.
Hold on, so you send him there for watch and see what I go on.
I send him there for make sure no say everything I go according to.
Right. So
how it's supposed to go.
Okay. So him a watch it thing
right.
And sit. Well on somebody
I make sure no say everything.
Darling Simone was say what is ropes. Oh, you put two laughing emojis so you understand. It's a joke you make. A Jamaican talk, that regular talk, that ropes. We'll go and talk. Yes, so you send a little linky over there for pre-order thing and then, give a little heads up and make you know what go on. And then what happen after?
Right, that's all.
Yeah.
And then the man deny everything. Everything where I go on, the man deny everything. But I want him can tell us, he never bring a girl go to the yard. So everything will happen up in a road.
A road, yes. So well, and so him did a born with respect then.
Yeah, man, him born with respect.
Yeah, born
but
with respect.
You know the respect part. Jump through the window now.
Yeah, tell me.
You're born with respect, and then you breed a girl. So no respect, no in it again.
Oh Lord.
I hear how your woman find out so you breed a girl, cause your woman I want personal detector. So your woman a drop some speech now, your woman say, say your cousin breed a girl, and if that happen to me and the person then no more. So little words start drop in between, and for you forget the concept say, if you do that, say your relationship done.
Right.
So the man a go and pray, and him, take him little time, and him a 1122. So finally him come out and say, so what if that happen? Me say, if that happen, so we done.
Ooh, him say that to you, so why if that happen? And from you hear that you say something like that hypothetical question, it's a dead giveaway, man. Right there. So okay, me see what you say.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So then me say, all right, then no, so me say, talk your talk. So what you have to say, because I write so it done.
Because I beat him for find out this and dry him out,
Right, that's the man. Right, that's the man. Me just give him a gun and make him shoot himself.
Lord Jesus.
Yeah. So me give it to him, and I give him the knife and the blade, and me crunch it up, and me give it to him.
Yeah.
And me say, yo, talk your talk, so me want to know what's going on. So I say, say, this did happen, and him never know, but the girl can tell him, say, she did. So me say, so what do no know about plan B, no know if you take a pill, no know for this. So that simply means so you not rate the girl then, you not rate me then, so you that wouldn't happen. Oh, this girl first child, and them now go do away because a pastor pick me. So me say, okay.
Jesus, but that him take, hold on, him say, I first pick me and them can't let the one there because a pastor pick me. Lord Jesus.
Yeah.
So when you hear that now, how that make you feel?
I'm not going to tell no lie now. I'm not going to tell no lie.
Yeah.
We did cut up inside, but you see too, because we know some go up in the streets.
Mm-hmm.
I'm no street squad.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. When him get for him load, him get it other than what him give.
Jesus God, what you go do now? What you go do after that?
No, man. Him get him bun cheese and plaster, and him get him full room, and him get everything, man.
No, man. Then you have to kind of make. Then tell me, you get back at him, no, man. Tell me, no, man.
Raga, he get bun right in a yai hole, and he say they get bun in a yai.
Jesus God, you take him friend though.
In a yai.
You take him friend.
No.
What?
Him know the person, but he never know so we are grind. Some get it in a yai, and he still not chat to the same person. Jesus. When get the bun.
So he might talk up to the person and thing, and I know so they a beer bun and reach him this and whatever this and they chat up to the person, though.
Raga, he all get bun, and he said, man, when get bun with, me send the man got me I go do electrician work.
But you said the man, so him there a yard do electrician work and him know so the man there yard do, but I know say you and the man there. Eh?
Him did it with the man, and I call him and tell him, say, yo, make sure not say the man have this and this when the man come work.
Yeah.
I know say everything is there for when time the man come work, and him did it.
Jesus
with God. The man, and the man at work. And him don't know that.
And him don't know, so the man did do the electrician work, and him don't know, so the man, not only the man do the electrician work, I fix the light, but him don't know, so the man turn on your light down. Him don't know, so the man will give you electricity, the man shock you to down. Yo, you know, say, anybody else listen Ragashanti from whatever, me tell him all the while, you know, man can't burn like woman, you know. No, you can't hear some man run up them mouth and thing, you know, man don't know that game they like woman, you know. And that me I tell you, you know, see there, him did a chat up to electrician man and don't even know the 100, don't.
Right, that's a Raga.
Lord Jesus or whatever. And him no need for know nothing. You just want that comfort there to yourself. You don't even need for tell him, don't.
No, because according to him, Pete is supposed to born maybe for my birthday or a little bit before, and I tell him, say, listen to me.
Jesus God, oh, whoa.
In that time, just know, say, mark the X and call it a X, because guess me what? This yam head done.
And are you done
As a Libra?
Are you done it?
As a Libra, the yam head they are done.
And your birthday come up down?
Yes, man.
Okay. And you just done it there, so done?
Right there, so there, man. You're mad, brother. You can't have a good woman and you mess up with a good woman. A woman will make you know, say, yo, your insurance pay. Your son take care of. You don't have to worry about that.
Yeah.
Fully furnished room, Gio. You don't have to worry about that.
No, lie ya tell. What?
As God bear my witness, and I swear on my one and only child's life, I am telling you the honest truth and nothing but the truth.
That treat him good, though.
Living room, bedroom, master bedroom at that with bathroom, fully furnished. But you don't have to worry about.
But you know, some want cuss a bad word. You know, want cuss a bad word.
You don't have to worry about.
Yeah.
And you form a fool of yourself. Your woman hold it down to make you know, say, yo, we got this. I pay how much life insurance for you, your mother, you, and everybody.
Well, you pay insurance to everybody and thing. Have him back full, no?
Fully.
Yeah.
The only thing you have to think about, I just know, say, your son pay for this to go to school, and even your son's school lunching and everything will happen at school, you don't have to worry about it because it is taken care of. Your son get tutoring where you not have to pay for.
Boy.
Your woman pay for that.
So it sounds like even if him did do him thing and roll it down and balance it and not make it go too far and just make all a woman out there so no say, yeah, me. You know, say that woman balance up a thing with me and whatever and race and a violation can go, and if me and you go do this, we do this, you know, but you know, the minute you start look like say, the thing want go certain levels and what. So even if him did all make all certain thing don't even reach a certain this make, you know, whatever and thing, you probably would all work with it, don't?
Alright, this is regular, it's true because me know say, alright then, you know say, you're not there. You're not there, so you know say, man I go do them thing.
Yeah.
You understand what I say?
Yeah.
So if you do your thing and you do your thing fine, no problem. Me have a problem with that.
When they say you're not there, but you mean they're foreigner and them down there or something like that?
Right. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, me see what I go on, you know. And thing. So you up here and thing and you balance up everything and him down there and them I saw him start, you know, straight.
Yeah, man.
After that, you'd in another long distance relationship?
Never.
You know, do that again, though. So
that could never happen. Imagine you give the person 17 years of your life, you know.
17 years. You know, a long time when you did that juggle do, you know. If you were to come up with a reason for say why, you know, him end up go out there like that, what would the reason be?
Him end up go out there?
Yeah, like him go out there with Miss Lady there and go breed her and him something and I tell us a picnic for barn. Because I agree with you, you know. Hold on. You know, say, his woman teach me this. I'm always, you know, I'm never understand it at first, but his woman teach me this, right? I could never understand the logic of some woman who explained to me that if the man upon them and them ask the man if no upon them and the man tell them the truth, they must say them done. But if the man lie, them say it have a chance for the relationship work, right? And I couldn't understand the logic and the confusion. You know, like it just peaked for me when I was in Connecticut up at stores, and I have a friend who, you know, she and her man there, and she claimed to him a bun her or whatever, and she nah left him or whatever, and and she asked him, and him denied. And we never see them for a while, and a long time after I see her, and I said, so what go on with you? And she said, no, me and him left. And I said, what? I want me know. And she said, no, I ask him if my bun me, and him tell me the truth, so I just know say done this. And I said, what you mean? And she said, no, once it come on a level, you know, it means say, you know, respect me, but me say, but him did I lie to you all the time. And she said, yeah, but him a lied to me for keep me. But if you go tell me now, like this man, you know, I say, yo, pick me up a barn, you know, or whatever, and what you are here is you are a lesser priority now. Am I correct?
Mr. You see, if when I had asked him about it, he had admit the fact.
Yeah.
Because me not go tell us me a saint. I am no saint.
Oh, well, yeah, keep it because you probably go and will look at something up here too, right?
Right. Because all right, you ask me about it, and me can be woman enough and admit it.
Yeah.
So when they ask you something, just be man enough and just admit it, and we could just move past it.
Oh, okay.
But when you go deny the fact, and then after so many months you go come to me when the belly has 5 months almost born, that's the time you go make me know that.
When you mean when the pitney almost born?
Mm-hmm.
And you get it all time?
Exactly.
Okay.
So that's the truth. You never have no respect right this today. Your respect when gone through the door.
Tell me something. You did feel better about yourself when you burn him back with the electrician and no say him attack
but
to the
no man, see electrician burn when happened before this.
Well, the electrician burn did happen before the whole drama with him and the picnic?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You know, say you just box me in my face a while ago, don't yeah, they laugh. You know, say you just give me a rotted kick in my chest, no. Listen to me. Are you, well, you don't tell me, say you're not angel. So are you tell me, no, we are keep it 100 now, right? We are big people and we are keep it. So basically you are say, the whole time him a born you did a born him too.
No.
But you did a born him before him a mislady.
And me started. Me started.
Well, are you start the morning?
Me started.
Well, are you start the morning? Say it. Say
me started.
No more. You say me start the morning. Say it.
Me started.
No, say me start the morning.
Me start the morning. You start the morning. And I will tell you. I will tell you how me start the morning.
No, listen to me, man. How are you started?
Let me tell you how it starts.
Yeah.
You're in a relationship with a person, and the person are going to make them, the family dictate to you how you feel live your life.
Well, and you say
so
that
in
is
the relationship, you're not a man.
Man.
And when me I look for the attention from you, I'm not getting your attention.
Well, so basically, him never give you that respect from the gate then, right? So you say you end up a bunny.
Right. Then. Yeah, because we always have arguments.
So, and then the argument was such that you did not feel appreciated, affirmed, acknowledged, or respected until. And you are saying that led to, so him never give you the ratings where you're supposed to get in a relationship.
No. Because you were sticking to your family. You stick to your family side when you're in our relationship.
And that led you for burn him?
Yes, because you seek attention somewhere else where I was getting it.
When you did not get the bun elsewhere, when you did not get attention elsewhere and whatever, this and that, You think say him feel say like you draw her from him or him pick up say you burn him or him pick up say you know say she
He
do her
didn't
thing.
care.
Eh? You never care?
He didn't care.
Eh?
He never care.
Him never care?
No. He never care. You know, show no sense of caring, no sense of nothing at all.
So you not believe it. So there was at any point you had reason to think that, you know, based upon the impasse, you know, based upon the little disagreement we are going where you think say him now step up as a man and defend you and, you know, and affirm you and thing and whatever when him relative them a move to you and all them something and I tell you what you have to do. So you never pick up anything from him for say him a say, you know, say she have man up there or she do her thing. You never pick up anything like that from him.
I will if I think me pick up. All women are supposed to pick up, me pick up.
Like what?
Yeah. The next door neighbor will live down the street from you. And you never know say me know.
Oh, okay. So be your things that are going with the two on then from early out then.
Yeah, man, I will if I things that are going.
Whole heap of things that are going and it end up saying breed somebody down there. Then the woman who breed down there now or whatever, about that, how different was she from you? She did younger than you?
She's younger than me.
Okay. And talk God truth. Oh, she did.
But she have it rough. Me sorry for her.
Oh, but I did good as.
I don't know the person.
Oh, you never know. Well,
but she have it rough. Me not lie you. She have it rough because I know the family don't know who breed the daughter.
I know fear family don't know him who breed the daughter, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Because it rolled down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Him not go there.
Okay, but him want the youth and I support the youth?
I don't know. I according to him, he say I feel so. That's as far as I can.
Yeah, but him and I the upfront?
No. No.
Okay. All right, but you look like, you know, you go through your thing, but and thank you for sharing that one with me, but when you look on the picture, you can know what going because I learned something of this, so, you know. But things that I didn't know, like look at games, them and thing or whatever, but in that one day, and so many people agree with you, mostly women, I said them can look on a picture with them man in it, and even if the picture is from him alone, them can look on a picture there and know if him, you know, because you say when you look on him, whoever take the picture, him have a F look, I look on the picture with a F look.
Especially when the person into the person, by just looking at the picture, you can tell. A picture, that's why them saying a picture tells 1,000 words.
Because you would have known how him look on you when him want F. When him want start
exactly.
out. Right. So you would have known after years and years and yesterday or today, I mean, 17 years when we end up together. So you would have known those little nuances, like what kind of look him have when him want start out or when him relate to you in certain way that him feel a kind of sexual affection for you and whatever. You would have known those little subtleties and you saw that in that
by
picture.
Just looking at the picture and then you can analyze the background to in a Raga. Not only that, you can analyze the background by just looking at shadows and everything that is depicted in the background of the photo. If you look deep, you can see a lot of things in the photo. So you just analyze it, and if you look up to the person's eyes, you can see a lot more. I am a detective, man. When you come to certain things,
pick up with you when you talk about the no, but you know, say my baby door to this door when it come to like him, whatever. You understand? Because you know, it look like him have him look a ramping shop, motel, you know, whatever. Oh, you go carry woman, born a woman, go the same hotel where you did go with your woman.
Not necessarily be the same, you know. It's not necessarily the same, you know, but you can depict a hotel different from a guest house.
You can depict a motel from no. People, listen to me. Me agree with you. You know, me see people take picture and I say whatever. You know, you know that the pictures in hotels and whatever. The picture them tend to be a certain way. The wall them. My son.
Exactly, the painting on the walls. You know, so in a hotel the wall are white or cream.
No. Hold on.
In a motel they have different colors.
No. My son, my first son, he's 9 now. When he was about 6 or 7, me upon a video call with him, right? And Zion said, Daddy, what are you doing in a hotel? And a hotel, me there for you, you know. And when me look back, I just the wall, me I say, and piece of one picture where they put, you know, them frame picture they like. Just piece of one piece of whatever, this and that, right? But a boy, you know, his mother is a flight attendant, and enough time him there where his mother there, so him used to whatever, and he's a very bright kid, very, very Zion, smart, like wow. And it was just a really revealing moment for me. So I was like, how do you know I'm in a hotel? And he was like, the wall. And I'm like, what about the wall? And I'm like, I don't know, Daddy, that's just a hotel wall. I said, but what about the wall? And he said, Daddy, I don't know. It's just a hotel wall. So them look at something there, you know. You know, if you pay attention to them. And at that time, he was about 6, 7, him and 9, you know, right? So it was about a couple of years ago, 2, 3 years, and things like that. So I agree with you. I agree with you.
Paying attention to details, Raga.
Yeah, the details, something there. Yeah. And thing. And then when you and him, you know, did a juggle too and whatever, they go hotel too, don't?
Yeah, enough time.
Enough time.
Because we were living far apart, we weren't living together. So when time we link up.
Yeah. Shellings go on in the hotel, don't?
Yeah, man.
But talk your truth, inside out the turn up.
Raga, what next day me answer your partner?
No, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Me and you good, man. Look how me and you juggle good and whatever. Admit it and done. If a general, if him start out the turn up, just admit it and done and whatever and thing.
No. Raga, I plead the fifth.
You know why you don't want to admit it? You miss the body, don't? Talking God truth. Eh?
I plead the fifth.
Him used to put it on you, don't? Him used to do the something with them, don't? Well, him used to do it something. Well, no, man. That's cool, no, man. Him used to bad pan the something with them, don't?
What are you talking about?
No, may I ask you, him never bad pan the something with them?
On a scale of 1 up to 10.
Yeah.
I would say a 7.
7?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
That's like average, no?
Exactly, because I've had 10s already, so I can tell you that.
Okay, because you have way better than, him, Well, that just speak to the fact that you did really love him for true then, because, if I 7 him there and you know what a 9 and a 10 is and you work with him so long, you did really love him for true,
Yes.
Yeah.
Because he's a great dad. He's a great dad.
Okay.
He's a provider.
Mm-hmm.
And he's a person who will be there for you.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So I will not knock him on that.
Right. Okay. Understood.
And he's a family man. He will, we'll make vacation time together, when, yes.
Right. Okay.
And where I fall short, he will be there.
He must step up and thing out.
Right.
Wait, hold on. Let me do that something here with TikTok. TikTok, one little thing we have to do. Okay, good. Yeah, well, we are here. He had some pretty good qualities about him too. Basically, that's what you're saying, and thing, All right, but respect for share and things, saying. And big up yourself, you know, all right? Love and blessings here.
All right, my favorite.
All right, cool. People may go take a risk and play and look another local video, you know.
Let me tell you why.
No, not this man, another one.
They cheat.
Wait, no.
They lie. Non-stop.
Another one.
They are so good at gaslighting
No,
you.
hold on.
Their egos are so big and they
God.
like to have them fed.
No, oh, come on.
They
You're
are
make
smooth
TikTok.
talkers and charmers.
Jesus, stop.
I have
no.
always been attracted to West Indian men, especially Jamaican men. I have been to Jamaica more than a dozen times. But don't get it
come
twisted.
on.
It's not to look for a husband or a boyfriend. I love the country, the people, the food, the culture.
Oh,
not
God.
looking for a partner.
I never see me want to play again, you know. But me do one next video. One next. Hold on. All right. Let me see something, I know. Hold on, man. I have one hilarious video. People, you see, sometimes ladies, man, attack tune on and not listen, you know. Right? So I go play something phone, you know, I want to hear the man tell the woman something, you know, and the woman not listening, you know. Right? I want to hear the pressure where the man under in that video here, right? Now play it real quick, you know, right? The man I talk to the woman and I tell the woman something, but she not listen or whatever. I mean, listen, the man, I hear what the man I say. I understand what the man I say. And this woman here, she did accuse the man of this and that and whatever. And she accuse him of this, accuse him of that, accuse him of this, accuse him of that. And the man say something to her. Where to make she know, say, what she's accusing him of, he's not guilty of it. And she not listen. Me listen and me hear what the man I say. All right? So let me put in this thing and I want to listen and listen to the pain and the hurt what this man I got through. Listen how frustrating and exasperating it is for this man that this woman accused him of something and he's mounting a credible defense. He mounted a credible defense. Something that make 100% sense. So what she's accusing him of is not him. And it just a fall upon deaf ears. The sheer frustration. All right, let me make on the ear and thing, all right? All right. Watch this thing, I know. Wait, I have to come over here so no one start it and thing and whatever. All right, so now watch this and listening.
That on your neck! Terrence, why is that hickey on your neck?
Baby, this isn't even my neck, though.
What?
This isn't even my neck, but you always look at something around.
Who neck it is? Who neck? It ain't mine. Who neck?
One of my boys?
What?
Maybe it's one of my boys' neck. What you want me to do? Ready? Let's go.
Yeah, ready? Let's go. With the excitement, for. Hold on. I can't take it off, you know. You better try to take it off. Oh, no, man, that's the wrong thing. Yes. Yeah. People, not bad. Yo, you need to say, when I can have the fire neck. When I can have the fire neck, I want the general say, yo, we are make up the one bag of nice for. And not even my neck. And not my neck. Here, remember, I know she got my neck. But you swear him said that to her. She turned fool, you know. Yeah, man, she taunted, man. She taunted. Can you hear that? What? Yo, she turned fool, you know. Because you can't see she get the no, you can't the boy in the car, whatever thing, and the man I said, yo, what a nice for. What the nice for? What you blame me wrongly for? I'm not even my neck. I know my neck. She never. What? Me say I know my neck. And then, you know, then she stupidly go down the rabbit hole with him, and I said, just the question alone, it's like, the person take a beat. Like, so then I oof her neck, and the man, I said, one of my boys, one of my brethren. Yo, I cut the foolish. This don't come, make we go. Let's go. Come. We're going to the mall. Yo, that bad Miss Lady, I make up one bag of nice, and the general say, I am, not even my neck, what the excitement for this bill, no, man. You blame man wrongfully and all them something they want me to you. You know, me tell you, say, I know my neck. Yo, God. Yo, if you come in right now, make sure say you follow me, like the live, right? Just tap it and make the art come up and things. So like the live, right? So if you're listening, watch right now, like the live right now. Just tap it and like the live. And if you're not following me, start follow me right now. Just follow Ragashanti, all right? Follow me right now. Follow Ragashanti, right? Yeah. Kenisha says, I chop him one. Kenisha, where you go chop him man for? What the violence for? What the violence for, Kenisha? The man just state what it is. She was a little bit confused about the icky. So the man just, explained to her and said, nah, it's not my neck. Right? You just need to understand that it's not my neck. Just relax yourself, man. Michael says, a real man that. Yo, so you have some man bare face that, Alexis me suppose this, and he must say, Alexis say, respect to the it was it me, man. Yeah, have some man bare face them, Yeah, some man bare face, you catch them, and them a deny it down to the ground, and the way them argue with you and deny it right through, them all make, and the woman them not turn up strong, they make the woman them all a doubt themselves. Make the woman, yo, them have one thing on the internet, I don't know if you never see it. But one woman come home and catch her husband in bed with her next woman, and like she that say, John, but as she come in, him start straighten up and put on him clothes. And the woman who him in there with, she get upstairs and start put on fear clothes to and whatever, And then now she said, John, Jesus, God, John, seriously? You born a woman with me in my bed. And John said, what woman? What you talk about? And I said, the woman that and whatever. And John said, there's no woman here, man. I don't know what you're talking about. I was sleeping and I just wake up. And John put on him clothes. And I said, John, what you mean? And I said, yeah, the woman did in the bed and whatever this and that. And John, I said, what woman? What you talking about? You confuse me. What you talking? And she did, and John, And then the woman walk out, And all she tell John, say whatever. John said, I have no idea what you're talking about. And John walk out of bedroom and put on his clothes, walk out of bedroom and go sit down, and it's like I think he did smoke a pipe and then and whatever, and I read the paper and whatever. And when she did it, and I said, John, after a while, and John just hold it out like, what are you talking about? It's just me alone in the bed. And she said, but John, me see you with a woman and you get up naked. And you put, John, I said, I don't know nothing about that. And him hold it until after a while, here or no. Well, yeah, probably was my imagination. Yeah, man, you have some man, them, yo, woman bad pan that though, Yeah, man, you have woman, man no bad pan that like woman. Ladies on the talk, you truth. When woman go for ball pan a lie, I know nothing normal, Right? When woman go for ball pan a lie, and you stand up strong, woman get over pan you this, man. When them go for ball and take God off of the cross pan a lie, woman bad pan or something there, man. When them start weep and wail, I'm saying, I can't believe you don't do that to me. Wicked, look up and do for you, look up. Yo, when some woman go for ball pan a line, man, remember me tell you, man. If you don't know the road code and know about them something, that you get beat left, right, and center, man. All right. The number them in my bio for Carlene and thing, whatever, and then me go over here so now and see if anybody I have to bring down this to see if anybody, all right, when I can come to the box to and thing, all right, so somebody I come and now let me take that one here. Let me see if anybody I come in right there. So. All right, yeah, greeting.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Are you hearing me?
Yeah, man, I hear you good, man. What go on?
Okay, good evening. First time on your show.
All right.
But I've always been a fan.
Blessings, man. See?
From the radio time till now.
From Jamaica radio time until now. Give thanks.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. So, I have a story.
Yes.
I dated this guy for 4 years.
Uh-huh.
But I didn't trust him.
Right.
So I created a Facebook page.
You created a Facebook page, right? Yeah.
Yes, using another person's name.
Right.
And I started to catfish him.
Yeah.
So, alright. So I went to his home to spend a weekend.
Yeah.
Right? So on that weekend we had an argument.
Yeah.
So while we had an argument, I texted him as the other person. And I told him I was going to come and visit him.
Yeah.
I told him to meet me in Ocho Rios.
Right.
Because he lived in Clarendon, so I told him to meet me in Ocho Rios.
Right.
So the evening, no, he wasn't home, he was at work. So the evening, no, he came home.
Mm-hmm.
He was very happy, singing and whatever. So I said to him, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Because him come and pack bag and something, So him say, say, me I go move furniture with my friend. So me say, but you need underpants and rag soap and toothbrush and all these things to go move furniture.
Go move furniture. So you did see my pack and all them something they don't?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So me say, what kind of furniture you gonna move? Make you need rags, soap, toothbrush. You mean him put up everything in the bag,
Yeah.
I say, but Vanessa, when me done, me go sweaty someone beard and something.
Yeah, yeah.
So me say, okay, no problem. So when him gone, me call my friend.
Yeah.
He said to her, say me I send him on a wild goose chase now. She said, yes, send him one.
Uh-huh.
So me text him, me say, where are you? He tell me saying there, K Valley.
Him say, wait tell us him there. Wait tell us him there.
K Valley, that's in St.
K Valley, yeah. You know K Valley. I'm go dance over there. Yeah.
All right, so it was about 7 o'clock in the night.
Yeah.
So I texted him and said to him, you know what happened? The bus broke down. So I'm in Salem. So me have to go to one hotel. But before that, Raga, the night before we had the argument in the morning, I put a icky on his neck. And I asked if master now go over bush and get a young Aki and rub on him neck,
Well on, and get young Aki and rub on him neck for take all the...
Yes, rub on him.
Well on. Hey, I wanna teach me the thing, Jeff. So young Aki get out icky?
Raga, it burn up him neck. Because when him come over, I see this, so I say, so wrong with your neck? He say, I pity me little bite him. So
Yeah.
pity me little bite him and your neck, so.
Hold on. For people who don't know, pity me little and little red ants at Jamaica, when them bite them, them bite the artist out of any ant. They might take out piece of your skin and whatever. Them terrible. But go on talk,
Right.
yes. Mm-hmm.
Right. So him say, Vanessa, I pity me little bite me, man, bite me on my neck.
Yeah.
And him scratch it, so it sore up him neck. So true me no how much act like a strike now. Me no pay my mind.
Yeah.
So back to the day now when him to come meet the other me, a Ochi. I told him that the bus broke down.
Yeah.
And I got see a while little guest house, so I'll send him picture, at the guest house and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So he come back home about 9 o'clock the night. So me say, how was it? You have to go a man, So me say, why? Somebody a come look for me. So me say, really? So me say, me can't go because I don't have no money. Throw down the money on the bed long time. See it here, I have to go my morning. So me say, but my shoes not clean. Him clean off the shoes. I say, see there, your shoes clean. They can't go on now. Me said to him, say, me not go. So anybody that come, is the three of us go and sleep in the bed. Master said, no, sir. Him a go at him friend house then. If me decide, say, me not go. So me text him now and me say to him, say, alright, me I go come tomorrow. But me not have no credit for call you, so me go send you, please call me. Raga the man sit down in the house and every text, every message, every call, master answer, Marky no answer unknown number. And every number.
And all of them, they are you are sending them to him, don't?
How you know so?
Lord
Right
Jesus.
beside him,
Right beside Jesus.
And him
God.
not even know.
I don't know what one. Yeah.
So, me end up text him and say to him, say, me not going to make it. Because something come up, so me have to go home back to country to my granny.
Yeah.
So me not text him for a couple of days. Him ask me why. When me text him, ask me why. I say, because me did lose my charger. Raga up to now, the poor soul don't know. And me and him left last year. I'm still communicate with him on that page.
You and him left last year, and I know you are communicate with him with a fake profile. And I know him no know say you.
No.
Bombard star. You serious?
I learned so much about him on that page.
Yo, the amount of people like, catfish people with fake profile and whatever and beat them and all them thing there, whatever. Enough for that go on,
Just the other day, a friend of mine reached out to me and said she wanted me to do it to her boyfriend. And I said, no. Because girl, you have a good man. She said she want me to do it. Me say, you do it yourself. Me say, you create a Facebook page or you get a WhatsApp number and you do it. And you know, funny enough, Raga, he tried it on me. That guy that I was talking to.
Him tried for
me and he almost catch me,
Him come at you like as another man, like with a fake profile.
Yes. I'm question him. And one thing give me because me a cheat on him with that guy we born November. And I say, when you're born?
Well, you at the time you did a cheat on him you did a burn him with a man we born November.
Yes.
But hold on, you did a burn him before you make the fake profile with him?
No. It's after me find out him never really into me because I want me to do for him.
Right.
You understand? So it was after that.
What you mean because of what you did that do for him? What you mean?
Because me help him out. I used to help him out.
Oh, so what you mean? Like, how? Financially. So when you did whatever, what you say, you reach a point where you realize, did I use you?
Right. And other people tell me, but you know when you love and they say love blind. Right. So me need to see that because me love him.
Right.
So yeah.
And then so after that you find out say my use, so you end up link up with November man.
Right.
And then what did happen now when you attacked him, when him come at you now with one fake profile? What did happen? Yeah.
Me ask him when he done. And him say November. So me say November how much? Backside Raga me say man said November 14. You know say November 14 the man ban. So back me take up my phone and me text him and me say text me I use one other profile. That's a November man, the original November man. And he said no, why would I do that? I'm draw for my friend and me say read the messenger. So like I did person me I talk to, I text me, and she said, then you don't know how he takes. You know, she see him a try it, to see if you. Yeah, you understand?
So, hold on. When he picked November 14, was that by accident or coincidence?
Yeah, almost by coincidence. Because him live at Clarendon and at the time I was living in Montego Bay. So him don't know nothing about me. What go on down here so?
Right.
And the person that I was with down here in Montego Bay by November 14.
Wow. Well, that was an incredible coincidence, was it not?
Me say, because of the way how him takes. So you see, when you dey talk with people, you have to kind of study them. So you see, when me dey catfish him now, you
Yeah.
have to change up the way when me text. So me no text him no patois. Me text him pure English, you know. Me no use no patois to him. Straight English, me I tell him.
And him not used to you communicating a straight English, so him can't pick up nothing.
No, so him can't pick up. Right, but when him text now, him text one way. So me know see him. At first, me never know, to be honest.
Right.
But me kind of get
But
suspicious.
once you start pay attention, you could have pick up him, yeah.
Because me start asking me some question about when me leave and people around me and so. And me say, no sir, this not right. He send me a picture of a man and me say, where you he say live? Like down the road from me. And me say, but me no know you. I first me see you. How long you live there and so forth. But me tell her again, I almost catch you. I almost jam you.
No, John, on the day I teach me the something them as usual or whatever, you know. But you see it, one, him never know for change up him communication style and whatever and give himself. Okay.
You have to be smart, you know. Me talk to one guy now. I will try with him, but him not deny me. Him tell the person, say, yeah, me have a girlfriend, and if you want to work, we can work together. You understand? Him never deny me. The other one now, how many profile me do I catfish him? And him say, no, me not have no woman. And how much years now me not deal with a woman, and how much months now me not have. Yeah.
No man, but hold on, my Montagonian girl, right? Yeah, my Mobile girl. It look like a regular you do that with the man them who you talk to, so you test them.
No, just you know, funny enough, I just this the one from Clarendon. And me say if me do the one at Clarendon, I me learn so much. Because of 4 years me and him talk. Maybe me can do it somebody else and learn if they're real or not.
So what's the objective here when you do it? To find out if the man are gonna own you?
Not necessarily if he say own me. See really if him that cheat. And yeah, that the guy there Clarendon cheat. Cheat him left me I come my yard and him left Ghana. Guess house with woman and then come back and tell me say him and his friend go and me and he come back with condom, magnum and all these things. I'm like, so why are your friend go out? Me and pen go do. You come back with condom and magnum. I no go guess house and it was a man.
And it was a man?
Yeah,
so,
but
another man, yeah, he might use the man as
always one step ahead of him.
Seeing.
Because you know, says that, so every Friday now we start going. Got me a pen. So I call the lady Friday because he not tell me what the lady name, so I start calling the lady Friday.
Oh, because every Friday I the same guy.
Every Friday, right? Every Friday I'm going. Whether me I come up there, yes or no, I'm gone.
Yeah. Boy, but and so the one where you talk to right now, you test him and him say him have a woman.
Yeah, him tell the other me.
All right.
Him have a woman.
Him tell the other you, right?
Yes.
the way you say that, yes, him tell the other me that him have a woman, so that make me feel good, because me feel good because him tell the other me, say him have a woman, so I'm assuming that's me. Okay, all right.
No, but him not perfect. This one is not perfect either.
Yeah, well.
Because him have other woman where I talk to, but him say, oh, they're just my friends. So me say, okay, never mind. So for you not care them come in my space and then in my space,
yeah,
and then that affect me, no problem.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Now say a word. So what go on a beer there? Everything good on a man take a beer there?
Yeah, everything alright down here.
Balance up and thing. All right, man. Big up yourself in a respect for the healings here.
No problem, Raga.
All right, love and blessings, man. Cool.
Blessings.
People, today I just want to remind you again to the folks here in the United States of America, right? Remember, any immigration matter that you have to deal with and you need a lawyer to deal with it, and me if a link, I'll do it. You have to pay me. Right? You have to pay me. Me know something that someone on link, man, I go and like say me on a Bessie and all them something they want me do or whatever this and that. At 3 years, I go to law school. You understand? And at 300,000 it cost me because it was a good law school. I go to them expensive. You understand? So money, yeah, it was an investment, right? And again, people do remember I don't do personal injury law. I do not do personal injury law, right? So if you get in an accident or anything or somebody else in Africa, it's straight immigration law I do, and it's only US immigration, nothing to do with Canada, nothing to do with England. It's just US immigration, and it's any state you are in the United States, I can work with you. Remember, immigration law is federal law, so it is not jurisdictionally specific to states, okay? So if you're in Arizona, if you're in Iowa, if you're in California, if you're in Vermont, if you're in New Hampshire, if you're in Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Maryland, Rhode Island, wherever, give me the link, right? Any filing, particularly family-based filing and thing, give me the link and I'll do that. No, I don't do divorce. All right, I don't do divorce. That's family law. You have to get a family lawyer to do that, right? I don't do divorce. Okay. Yeah, Connecticut, that's cool. All right. So remember, met the link, and of course, it's the 929 number. That is what you want to do. Yes, I do VAWA. I definitely do VAWA. Okay. And for those of you wondering what VAWA is, it's a Violence Against Women's Act, right? And there are provisions in VAWA that can allow you to self-petition, right? So depending on where you go through, with, the person who you're involved with, or the person who was filing for you, start file for you and a change in mind, or if him not start file, or if she not start file yet, or whatever, if they engage in any form of abuse against you that rise to the threshold that it could constitute, that it could fulfill the claim under VAWA, that is one of the ways you can self-petition in the United States. In general, as you know, you have to have an immediate relative filing for you, but there are instances where you can self-petition, and also under the TVs and all them thing there. And one of the ways in which you can end up, if your spouse filed for you and you're in your 2-year conditional status still, and the last 90 days of the conditional status, you have to go in together to get it taken off. But if you and your spouse go through certain things where, it not work out and whatever, you can end up self-petition to remove the conditional status and get your 10-year. All right? Of course, there are certain requirements and elements that you have to fulfill. But again, if you're in that position, somebody filed for you, and I'm going to let them own you, and I diss you up and I treat you bad or whatever, and all them something there, whatever, don't believe you don't have any options there, right? Don't believe that you have to put up with it, because you're in the conditional status and thing, you have to suffer under it and whatever this and that, You don't necessarily have to do that. Okay, sometimes you have to do that, suck salt through a wooden spoon, bite the bullet, that type of thing. But don't believe that, you don't have an option to self-petition in that situation. Yes, you do, right? If your thing not straight and somebody use you and abuse you in a particular way that's directly related to you not being straight, it has to be related to that, right? So if somebody have you work somewhere for a sustained period of time and subjecting you to sustained abuse because them know say your thing not straight and them have you in another position, there are provisions for you to self-petition. It can't be what you just say. It has to be evidentiary. It have to have evidentiary support. And that's where I could probably explain to you, say, yes, you may call me and be like, Ray, and I say, not gonna work for you. Right? It not rise to that level where you can succeed in a claim. I'm not gonna take your money if me know say 100% sure say you're not gonna get it. Me not gonna take your money. Right? But you may have a 50-50 chance. I mean, tell you have a 50-50 chance. Or it may be that, what? You know straight and you work for him and him go do this or she go do that and whatever and you did end up go hospital and police did whatever this and that. Don't worry yourself. We're going to get the police record. Give me the hospital record and whatever this and that. Anybody did that when it happened, boom, bam, 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 bam. Raga put your case together and whatever. But you have to pay. Me I tell you straight to not for pay. I work. I'm not gonna say I work and a chicken, me a jerk. Because when Jamaicans say that, I'm a nerd. Okay, baby, I'm a nerd. When Jamaicans say that, it don't make no sense to me. I'm like, and I work, and a chicken, me a jerk. Then when people are jerk chicken, I work, them I work too. Anyway, you don't know what I mean? I digress. But yeah, right? So, and then if you have your regular filings, people, I strongly encourage you, right? If you don't have a green card, come talk to me and file for a citizenship. Many of you think, say, because a little thing did happen, did involve in a this and that, like, can't file for a citizenship. And very often you can. Now, the standard for citizenship is very high, right? Particularly what always I beat people is what we lawyers refer to as a GMC, right? And it's a huge requirement under the law that you have to fulfill the GMC, which is a good moral character standard, right? And have a whole bunch of things in it. So if you didn't involve in a certain things, they're not gonna deny you. But there are ways to deal with these things, don't it? I don't know what I say, right? There are ways to deal with these things. That's not illegal. But you just have to know what you do. And that is where I as an immigration lawyer can help you after you pay me. I have no problem answering a brief question. If you have a look at one question, it will just take 3-4 minutes. But if you have a situation that requires consultation, it's $150. Okay? And that goes up to 45 minutes. All right? So if your situation is complex and, and we have to talk on the phone for a while, it's $150 for the consultation. Okay? If it's a quick question, shoot me a text at the following number. I'm soon telling the number and I write down the number. The number is in the bio anyway. It's a 929 number in my bio. Right? So if you're there upon TikTok, the 929 number in my bio, it's in there. All right? Shoot me a text. And if it's a simple question, let me answer. If it's like, my mother filed for me and I can't hear from them and whatever, this and that and ray. Okay, your mother filed for you. Are you over 21? Yes. Are you married? No. Okay, you're looking at 78 years. Mother filed for me. Are you over 21? Yes. Are you married? Yes. You're looking at 14 years. That long. it can be very long. Okay. So if it's a quick question, fine. But if it's like VAWA, I can't tell you. You have to pay for consultation. All right. And again, just as a reminder, VAWA, the Violence Against Women's Act, that's the name of the law. But men can use VAWA. So if a man barefoot or attack, for say you don't have your papers, if you don't have your papers and whatever, and you as a man is suffering abuse, because very often we men are not conditioned to think like that, you know. But then you have a whole heap of man who suffer abuse. Like women abuse men because them not straight. Or because them file for the man. Them are the petitioner and the man are the beneficiary and thing. And then, you know, them no, you know, and them do all kind of bad things to men. Men, put your ego aside. Put your ignorance aside. And just know that you can get your things straightened out. If, you know, we can, you know, come together and find some evidentiary support to demonstrate, you know, convincingly, compellingly, that you are indeed being abused and whatever and thing. You can self-petition. But you're going to have to pay your fee, okay? I work where I work, right? Yes. All right? So again, it named Violence Against Women's Act, but it's a law that is gender neutral, and men use it. Men use it every day and get them thing. All right? Okay, and again, here's a number. Put on a number, all right? Put on a number and things, send me a text and whatever. It's 929-400-1249. But again, the number is in my bio. And remember, don't use the other number in my bio to get to me. That number is just a call-in number. You have to use the 929 number. You must use the 929 number. Do not use the 585 number. All right? Do not use the 585 number when contacting me on immigration matters. You must use the 929 number when contacting me on immigration matters. You only use the 929 number when contacting me on immigration matters. All right? Again, I said it earlier, but people, if you can get your citizenship, okay? If you have been a green card holder, you know, for at least 5 years, apply for your citizenship, okay? There are other requirements. Big with that is that within the last 5 years, you must have been in the United States for about 30 months total. So you would have traveled if you travel or whatever, but you must, out of the last 5 years, you must have been here at least half of the last 5 years, which is 30 months. That they're really big on that. Okay. You know, if you just move to a different state, you're gonna have to wait for like 3 months, you know. You have to be in like a state for like 3 months before you can, even though it's a federal thing, you know, in terms of the residence you put on it, you have to be in that state for like 3 months. So there are some other little requirements and things, but when I see what go on out there, it make a difference if you have your citizenship. Right? A big thing we beat a lot of people is the aggravated felony issue. Because if you have been convicted of an aggravated felony or even arrested for an aggravated felony, the law says you can't get your citizenship. But there are ways around that. And what a lot of people don't know is that immigration officers do have discretion. So yeah, the law specifically said if you have been convicted of an aggravated felony, you can't become a citizen. That means you have to just be a green card holder for the rest of the time in the United States. In general, that is the case. So if it is something really, really bad, then you're not going to get it. And me would tell you. Say, big man, when you kill somebody, when you stab up a woman or whatever, this and that, and you stab her, You're not going to get it. But you may have extenuating circumstances that could, you put an argument together that, that would give you a probability of it getting through, okay? I have a situation where, a man did involve in a so-and-so, and him get deep. And when him wife link me and thing or whatever, I say, well, from the outset, them not going to take, them not going to give me, so I'm not take your money. But then she explained further. One, it happened about 20 odd years ago. That count for something. Two, the man is now a pastor. That count for something. And it matters. You can't just say him a pastor in church. With these things, he would have to go to, to study theology, religion and thing. And if he's formally, like he's almost like a degree him get and pastor, that count for something, right? He's a different person now. With stuff like that, that's where my magic comes in. Because I'm going to make an argument, and that's just after she tell me all of them something and whatever this and that. Then second, she is she's very sick, right? And U.S. immigration law is based on keeping the family together. So she being very sick, and I'm gonna use some code now, because we don't want nobody. She explained certain things to me, and I said, oh, you have nobody here to help you. And you have nobody here to help you. Oh, okay, Raga, okay, good. Bam, bam, bam. Them look at something there, and then me know for right time, say, no, man, we're going to go for this. You can't get this. Him can't get this, man. Let's go for it. Will he get it? I don't know. Because look at the draw. It depends on the immigration officer where you get to. But your thing is to put together the best case possible that would, make it likely that you will achieve success. Okay? And that is what I know to do. I know the law. I may have sense. I'm a book smart. I'm a street smart. And I enjoy doing this, helping people. As well as I enjoy getting paid. Right? But again, many of you might be in positions in general that you think your case is hopeless and there is no way out or whatever. Very often there is, and you don't know. All right? And if I don't think there is a way, whatever, I'm going to tell you that. You probably can go to somebody else and they'll tell you something else, and probably they can do it for you or whatever. You understand? But just keep that in mind, all right? But again, your U.S. immigration matters and thing, link Ragashanti. And if you know somebody who need help in that regard, link Ragashanti. And if you have a filing for do, link Ragashanti. And I would suggest, anybody who can, get your citizenship, please get it. One, like me, they answer, I don't need no citizenship. And then eventually when I read the play with certain things and whatever, I run go get it, There are certain scholarships that I got here, when I was in college, that I would not have gotten if I weren't a citizenship. Well, if I weren't a citizen, And Raga no race foreign, right? Raga come here and get him bachelor's degree. Raga get him master's degree. Raga get him Ph.D. Raga get him law degree. We not play with the place, Don't waste foreign. Don't waste foreign. All right? All right, anyway, what they are juggle. I remember now. Can a lawyer speed up on filing for someone who 3 brothers in the military and mom has him on filing? The 3 brothers in the military have nothing to do with it. No, that can't speed up this. Any speed up is usually done on what is referred to as humanitarian. It's a humanitarian standard. And it can't be that, oh, my mother sick or whatever. Them don't care. A whole heap of people mother sick. That's like, it's neither here nor there with them. However, I don't mean to sound bad, but if your mother is terminally ill and, you know, something like that, and you can prove it or whatever, they could expedite your filing for you. So if there's a genuine bona fide emergency, that is not something that is run-of-the-mill that anybody can say that I go on, or a regular thing that out a road or whatever. It can't be that my mother 82, you can't so and so and so. They ain't gonna do nothing. And immigration lawyers will take your money there, so them will take your money, and you're not gonna get no difference there, yeah? But there are humanitarian reasons, and it's usually death is a common one, you know. You know, if you have an immediate relative that died or whatever, you know, they would do something for you, you know. Remember Ricky Trooper, them take away him thing and him couldn't travel here. But unfortunately, when his daughter was murdered, they allow him to come, you know, humanitarian reason and things like that, all right? So those are the only instances when they would speed up something, all right? All right, yeah, back to the program. So remember, just send me a text for all your immigration matters, 929-400-1249. All right, back to the show, you know. Back to the show. I remember the same number, the same 929 number, me just tell you, you can call in on a number on the show, right? But it has to be through WhatsApp. The 929 number, you can call in on the show, but it has to be through WhatsApp. If you call the show, all right? You can call a number there right now, WhatsApp. Okay? Whoever, if you text me, I'll see it when the show is finished, okay? All right? So if you text me, we will see it when the show is finished. Wendy, the number is in my bio, and I just said the number, okay? All right? So somebody post a number for you. Yeah. All right, I could see if we can shift gear now and go back in the show, and see if we can bounce it for say like another half hour and thing. All right, see, Fire Francis post the number there. All right, Shaq, Fire Francis post the number. Military Starman post the number. It's right there. Okay. Vanessa, I said, Raga, me all this year from me in high school. Yeah, man. Then I don't found my raise and the man don't like me picnic door. Queen Paula, just send me the text and ask me the question there differently. Here, send me that text there to the number and I'll respond to you. Yeah. No, but back to the bridging there when the woman said, yo, the icky dip on him neck and all these things and whatever, and the dog said, we are talking about after on my neck. Right? And a mine, no, I have some beer face liar them way there, you know. Some proper beer face liar, but they've not played every day. I've seen some of them throughout my life. Me there with a few of them too. Yeah, man, me there with a few women who just beer face and tell lie, man. Like, and then me that talk to this girl, but you don't know the road to road a bad door, right? But she knows I'm live a yard with my woman, you know, right? And she tell me, say, no, I know your woman, and whatever, you know. I'm live and whatever, which I should have pick up the sign from this, you know, because through them telling me secretive and thing and whatever, you know, in Jamaica, if you know and whatever, you can't, nobody to know you live, and, you know, I did really popular Jamaica as a talk show, so you can't, nobody know you live. And she knew me live and knew my woman name, which that was the sign. I never pick up the red flag, but when she tell me that and whatever, me and I did done a juggle already, I say, yo, Well, she know what I go on. She know what I go on and she work with it good, you know. So, you know, me there make sure someone take care of her, you know. Boom, 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 boom. Because, you know, them, you know, and I juggle. And she knows some live a yard with woman or whatever. So, this is decades ago, by the way, people. Someone did that work with it, but you know, say, she was one of them women they know who she had tried to get me for broke up with my woman. But she had used fake profile and attack my woman and I war my woman. You understand? So my woman I tell me about this woman who a war or whatever, but the woman who made it to she a warrior, you know, bad girl, you know, Spanish town thing, you know. You know, come from Villanova and one thing, can hold her own, you know, and whatever. So when she tell me, say now, you know, so I move to me and I tell me all kind of things and I style me upon whatever, this and that and whatever, you know. So she step back to her, you know. Then the time the woman who me I juggle with on the side, me don't know say she, you know, she don't make me do, you know. I move good, she don't say lean her do, you know. So people don't know say that war they go on for about 1 year, you know, till after a while me I say to my woman say, yo, you know, when it greet like 6-7 months, Mama said, that woman is stubborn, man. Because she keep on saying, oh, Raga want you and Ray, and this and that, you know, match with Raga, and you can't bring. She does a style her up and all kind of thing. So when he reach about 7-8 months, me I say, yo, but that woman here like, no, sir, this personal. You sure you don't know her? Me I say, yo, yeah, woman who do them looking foolish this day and whatever, but yo, she constant and she just very focused on you. But me tell you, you know, the woman who are more light, you know, because she tell her kind of thing and whatever. My woman go tell her, say, oh, but she said, me go F him like a porn star and this and that and every time. Tell me your name, I'm ball out your name when they must send it up in them. And them thing that she go out with it, a bad girl something, you see it? And so after about a year now, it look like now she a get frustrated now. Say she a try, yeah, cause she did have some other woman, you know, link my woman and whatever. And so the whole thing like, how she get the number? When at that time out of my phone, she get my woman number, I don't know, you know. May I tell you. And so after about a year now, one time now, me and this lady go up and look at BS, you know. And me there have a look studio, you know. They have a look studio, nice studio, but spend a whole heap of money for much. Like $80,000 US put together at Jamaica, whatever. Nice studio, me have a look studio. So one day me and a nice studio, we go with something in a studio, you know, foot over here, so foot over this and that. And we did a drink white wine, Pinot Grigio, okay? And we're going with something, but I mean, I'm alone in our studio, you know. Right? And we're going with the things and whatever. People don't know, say me go home now and whatever, this and that, and they woman. And after about 3 hours at the home now, my woman said to me, oh, by the way, you know, the mad girl come leave me back again, you know. And I say, she whatever, And she tell me, oh, you know, want me. And she this and that with you in a studio. And you put your foot up on, the mixing board that people me nearly drop down, you know. And she reel out the thing, them, you know, what happened? But you don't know, say, man, a dog them time then. I'm a good behaving boy now. Talk to me here, look. Yeah. I'm bother with certain things now. But me I said them days, you know, you do road and all them something. So you see when me hear that now, me I tell you, say, you know, when you hear something and your heart goes to boom, and you know that look at something that will turn up in your stomach and thing or whatever. But you know, generally I think so. Me just stay calm and I go, but me did a calm and I do my thing and my mind, me I said, boom, book. But remember me, I stay there alone in the nice studio, you know. So she go the thing them and she say, yeah. You put up one foot on the mixing board and the foot where they on the ground, it slide and you catch her and you lift her up and you keep it. And yeah, because when I put up on the mixing board, but the foot when she stand up on it slide and when it slide, I catch her and call her and brace her and say, specific. I remember saying, me and Miss Lady alone in the studio, you know. So of course, I say to my woman, so right, that's what I know. stay calm now. So next day now, I don't have a too while or you know, well out there, whatever, this and that. And some part I say, yo, come on, look at me. So you know, say, Ray, and whatever, you know. Oh, really? And she knows so we in a studio. I do what I do. Oh, really? I said, yeah. I said, why you do that? I'll be tell you, just come straight up to him and I make a reason out this and thing. And if you know, find something where you can't deal with, then fine, we'll let it go, or whatever. But all this time you more than a year, man, I said, no, that make you dangerous, You're there around me and you give me the impression say you're cool with it and the whole time you're a warm woman and all them something. And you don't tell you straight up say Ray, And you tell me say you work with it. Because those were her specific words, Like, no, I know what I deal with and I'm my choice. That's what she said. Right? I don't even like me did a canary and nothing. It was nothing like that. She tell me everything, I know everything. So I'm sorry if I do that and whatever. And she said, but that wasn't me. I said, what you mean? I don't know how she know. Yo, she knows that one of your foot, you need it up on the mixing board. She knows that the foot where you didn't stand up on, it slip. She knows that me catch you when you slip and hold you and did a send and see me and whatever this. I want me did in the studio. Now me and you, yeah. Son of must you say something, it wasn't me. Me say, I go looking at my face and tell me, say, I know you. No, I never mean, I never say nothing. Here it comes. Am I ready? So, if I'm me and you alone in the studio, that are the mistake, I learn my lesson, argue with somebody and go down this if you try, I explain yourself or whatever. But at the time, I say, but then if I'm me and you alone in the studio, and me and you drink Pinot Grigio, she knows that we are drink Pinot Grigio. She know what you needed there. She know what the other foot did there. She know what me do or whatever. And me and you alone do it. Clearly, I know me because me not going to sabotage myself. So, and you are the only other person in there. So, who for tell her? My girl look me straight in the eye and say, listen, me don't know I know. Because all the while when you're asleep, you're talking in your sleep, so probably you go talking in your sleep and she... Yo, people, you see when she said that? I'm looking at her eye and see the seriousness when she say it with her, whatever. People, I kid you not, but look at her and I say, it's a dangerous blood grab. Me and you done. Me ain't nothing with you. You will kill me. I start talking about back at him. I say, I'm afraid of you. Whatever. Yo, she hold it, man. She hold it all now. Whatever this and that. Me know when I ask her, no, she denied right away too and said nothing like that. The worst thing you can do with them people, I start arguing with them for proof, say, it no go so, right? When it's just so obvious that them a tell lie. The worst thing you can do with them people, I argue with them, I try get them to admit it. It will never happen. And the more you argue is the more you commit, you're communicating to them that, yeah, you're still interested, you're still invested here. You're still making an effort here. And all me have to do a wall out and thing because you're not going to let it go. That's what you're communicating to them. You want to mash up them head? When them do something like that, you just say, okay, now walk away. And then them start wonder what you think, But when you did it and you try to get them to admit it and whatever, you give them the power. You just tell them, say, okay, you give me something for work with. it is important to you to get me to admit the obvious. And as long as you hold on upon that, I have you. I this of them there mentally. You understand? So I know enough in a position they will have been or you are in those positions with them people who them just lie right down to hell's gate. Don't fall into that trap to get them to admit. It's not going to happen. That is important to them. Never, ever relent. Never, ever admit it. And them will bawl, literal bawl tears. Take God off of the cross. And tell them, I can't believe you said this. Don't get caught up in that thing. Then. Once you recognize that there's them there, nothing wrong if you ask them, and get them on the record. So also, no, I don't know nothing about it. Good. But make them know say you know say them, Make them know say you know say them if it reach this. But don't press them after that. Because if from them know say you know say them, but you not press it or whatever, it can't change. Because them I wonder what you up to now, what you are doing. Because you know. And if you know, then somehow, somewhere you're going to make some adjustment or do something in response to that. But if them no know, throw them off, man. All right. Ray Gem Shani, big up yourself, love and blessings, my charge you from foundation, All right, Born Alone say, my husband good pan lie like that. Rhonda said, yeah, them play a mind game. Yeah, them bad pan that, man. Them bad pan them something, man. If you don't know if you stand up and think. Chrisan. Oh, Chrisan. Okay, let me see what I go on there. Let me talk to Chrisan. Chrisan, I say, come in and dance,
Like,
a long time.
Hey, me sell out all I soup them. Who want the bun in I soup pot? You know what I'm here wait.
Well, super bun, but the bun I went like dumpling, cake up my bottom a little bit, no.
Tell you.
Can I go say, oh, super bun?
I don't say nicest part. Biggest part I soup.
Hey, well, you know which bun nice? And people don't rate it.
Rice and peas.
No. Everybody know that. Rice and peas, the Sunday on the bun are the best thing. No, man. Brown on the coconut milk. But me I gotta tell you a bun when enough people don't rate, but me I tell you one I baddest bun.
Oh, that.
Caramel porridge bun.
Jesus.
Remember me tell.
Somebody texted that comment long time before you say it.
Somebody texted that comment. Let me see. Ah, see Fire Francis texted there. Yeah.
You read the comment. You ready?
If me read the comment?
Yes.
No, but me I tell you, say that me I come with.
Say it before you even say it.
Oh no, me never say them put it on whatever. Let me tell you something, man. Caramel porridge bun. I mean not a banana porridge or peanut porridge or my favorite porridge is aminino. Right? And then caramel porridge or whatever. I'm not talking about amini porridge. I'm talking about caramel porridge bun. Let me tell you, man. I'm bad bun that, man. May I tell you.
Somebody say oats too.
No, that person they need help. Them forgot get counseling.
Wrong with me.
Yeah. No, them forgot. I who say oats.
Somebody in the comment at 7.
Yeah, pretty. Them know how you, man. Them know how you. No, but me don't know who I got to talk about oats bun taste good and whatever. No. Nothing go so. That person they need help. Them forgot get counseling and whatever. Them not move right. Yeah, no. Well on the 7. People all who are watching thing right now, make sure say you like the live. Press the art. Press it. Just click the screen. Just touch the screen and make the art come up and thing. Let me see some art come up, right? Let me see some art blow up a place right now. Yeah? Just like the live. Like, see them there, like the live. And if you're watching me right now too, make sure say you follow me if you're not follow me yet. Cocoa bread, big up yourself, you know. Patty and cocoa bread really much, and cocoa bread, right? And if you're not follow me yet, make sure say you start follow me now, right? See, the follow the host, nice. Just follow me, follow Ragashanti, all right? 7, what you say?
Boy, Raga, me, I want to call people name.
No, not call nobody name, but give it a minute.
Big up my friend.
Yeah.
We are take my next friend. We come to see. The man go come catch you and my friend turn the body man same time.
No man, say that again. You lost me this. What?
Hey.
Yeah.
Me have a friend.
Yeah.
But there is my next friend.
Well, the friend is a woman
friend.
You have a man friend, yeah.
We talk to a woman friend.
We talk to a woman friend, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the man go come catch them. I do the things them.
Who for man come catch them?
The girl man.
The girl man come catch them and do the things them, yeah?
Yeah. And my friend turn the body man same time.
And in turn him start at gear right away though and
say him shirt, Raga.
A real thing you talk or a girl, yeah.
Raga, see, that's me asking so me can call name.
No call a name. No.
Alright, big up Ocho-Rios.
No, hold on. Vika, big up yourself. She said, Raga, my sister was on your Ghana trip last week. Her name is Ruben. The name is Ruben, but it's a woman, all right? Ruben, your sister. Ruben, I'm a big friend, you know, big up all of the people. And people last week, I carried 37 people go Ghana. I know I go Ghana. I love Ghana. But so I do them trips there too, you know? So if you don't want to go Ghana, remember.
No, girl.
Wait, the 7. Next year, April and August, I'm carrying trips, go back to Ghana again. I'm carrying other trips to Ghana. So if you don't want to come on the Ghana trip and thing, make sure someone make the link to and whatever. Again, yeah, big up Ruben, sister. Ruben is a woman, right? And thing and whatever. And last week, we go Ghana. We had a week there. It was great. We do naming ceremony. We went to Kumasi. We went to the Ashanti Kingdom. We went to the Cape Coast Castle Dungeons. We went to the Asin Manso Ancestral Slave River. We went to the Kwame Nkrumah National Park. We carry them all over and thing and give them an incredible experience. Anybody who want to go to Africa, your best way to go to Africa, your introduction to Africa is through Ghana. And the person who knows how best to do that, particularly if you're a Jamaican, and for make it meaningful, and if you get a little Jamaican connection,
Price.
Well, the price is it's 6,500 single, right? If it's double, you're sharing room, the partner, you get a discount there, so it's 11,000. I forgot how much it is, but remember now. That cover airfare and that cover your hotel and that cover your transportations throughout the country and your breakfast, right? A typical meal in Ghana costs anywhere from $15 to $20, and that's a nice meal, right? So you take care of your other meals and things like that. But again, if you're going by yourself, 6,500, and you can pay over time, right? You have, but you have to be paying incrementally. You can go on the website, go to TamFamTravelAgency.com, and you can get all the information there. Again,
children are allowed.
Yeah, man, you can bring children to TamFamTravelAgency.com. I want to write down that TamFam Travel.
US. You said read. I come at marriage. I'm active for US.
Them out there, Empress Jenny, you're brighty. If a US dollar, then a much US dollar. as opposed to what, 7 what, Jamaican? God. No. The 6,500, you're traveling from the US. The flight is from JFK, and it's a direct flight. And now you have cheaper connecting flights, but you don't, as much as you can, when you go so far on a transatlantic flight, direct is better. So I work out a reasonable thing with Delta and thing, and that the fear.
The people from Jamaica can come too.
Yeah, man, them can come, Of course, them can come. Them people from Jamaica never go up on the last trip. But what I'm saying is the 6,500, the other trips to Ghana, they charge more than that. And it don't even include airfare. Let me say that again. The other trips to Ghana, if you do the same thing around the same time and whatever, they charge more than 6,500 per person. Without airfare, right? And you get Ragashanti as you remember, say I'm an anthropologist, so I study culture and identity. I want to know I'm a good communicator. So when you did a beer vibes, make question name the sister tell her Ruben a beer vibes, cause I me set the tone and it nice. The trip did nice. I want to see some of my video them when me jump in. Yeah. So Ruben want to go back down. Yeah. No man, it was just, I me set the tone and I know what to carry and I know what to do and whatever thing like that. Great. Right? So go to TamFamTravelAgency.com. For all I who have been want to go to Africa, this is it.
And check it out. They post for Raga page too.
Yeah, man. This is it. Right? I'm not going on a jail talk. I know me I do. Years I put this together and thing and whatever. And make anybody who go tell you it has been an incredible success. Some of the videos them on my page, I have some more, I have wallet more I go put up on thing. It has 2 tiers though, right? So it have a standard tier for people who just want to pay the minimum and be comfortable and safe and whatever. And
Raga promoting thing, you can't say man argument a sleeping argument.
No man, who was a sleeping argument? No. No, man, no. You misread what them right. What them say sleeping arrangement. Not argument, arrangement.
Sorry.
I am assuming that them I wonder like where you stay. So just real quickly, some people say that them will pay them money for a 5-star hotel. So that option is there for the next trip them, okay? So you have what is called a premium tier.
Accommodation.
Yeah, which you're going to stay at the moving pick 5-star hotel and thing. And then you have others who just, them just want to pay the minimum because of that them can afford and it no matter to them. They just want a nice, comfortable, relatively comfortable bed and whatever. So you have both options. But anyway, just go over to TamFam. See the person say as in hotel accommodations. Yeah. So go to TamFamTravelAgency.com. In fact, if you just put in TamFamTravel.com, it would still carry to the same website. Okay, so just put in TamFamTravel.com and all the information is there, right? TamFamTravel.com.
If one question.
Yeah.
If he pretending to the something, we are talking about traveling thing.
Mm-hmm.
If you are left from Jamaica, you have to have visa to go there, so?
All right. Here's the interesting thing now. You don't have to have visa. Now, in fact, people who are go Ghana with a US visa, with a US passport, they need a visa. If you're going to Ghana with a Jamaican passport, you don't need a visa. But
so
here's
no,
so here's the thing though.
If some people live from US studio and you have another batch come from Jamaica, will come for the same trip.
All right. What we do there is we deduct the airfare part out of the cost we go. Right? So them would have pay them own a airfare. But here the problem with that though. The problem we had with that was that most people leaving from Jamaica, them still did have to connect either in the US or in Europe.
Somebody say if you have to take a vaccine.
Yes, you have no, it's nothing to do with COVID. This is a long time something, and it's the yellow fever vaccine. Yeah, this is a long, and don't, I know say since COVID, no found to get nervous about vaccine. Listen to me. Yellow fever vaccine been bought from Dine Kingdom come, right? And I advise, I mean, it's required. You can't go in a Ghana without it. And that's the only one you have to take. It's a yellow.
Every time you go, you take it.
No, you just take it one time and that's it. And you can't go there 10 million times after that and thing. Them just want to know, so you had the yellow fever vaccine. All right? But the information again, just put in tamfamtravel.com and all the information is there. And if you want to go on the April one, you need to check it out as soon as possible. But again, for 2025, we're going April and we're going August. April and August. All right? So what you say now, 7 and thing and that? What going with you, you know?
I got big sitting down here. We have to come out to the community.
We have
to come out. What? Yes, we have to lift up.
Because what? Because him did act gay?
Yeah, because he tie up his clothes, Raga. I said, girl, I don't like him, and I got to leave.
You know, I say, I go out, you think, not go so.
Raga, you call me, I call it what the district.
No, well, call the district. Call the district.
I said, big up, watch it.
Watch it happen.
Yes.
No, but watch it big, you know, like, in a watch it happen.
In a watch it.
In a one district.
Pineapple.
Where, pineapple. That's how it pineapple. Yo, if me I take a man and then come, now I give you don't me I run out of that or something or whatever, but if him go a certain way like him want pop off and me now have no machine for me I let go. But me now go on a gear way or whatever. For what?
Continue to provide until Raga.
Nah, me nah.
Take it short and put away your motor until Raga. Make Raga know how you happen to.
It happen to the person there with you. Well, lad, the person there with you.
She's there.
She there? Yeah, man. Tell her if you code up her voice.
Come.
Good as. Good as.
Let's put it on your motor. Raga, come. Raga.
Well, are you it happen to?
Go tell him.
Eh?
Back your motor again and tell him.
Are you it happen to?
Yeah.
So go out with a little thing for the side and boss roll up and thing and the man with the bonner man start going like same gear, no?
What you want to do?
So, well, I know. Let me ask you something now.
Okay, run guy. You know that is
she run guy?
I'm gonna go people. I'm gonna go people.
You know, go okay. So like it thing real, like it happened for true.
Run joke.
Nah, but if me in a position there, I roll up on me. First of all, I start bend up my face and go on the move the wickedest way and all them something.
I'm say man, say please shirt.
So what him do that for?
Raga me no know. Raga so time here. Kinoba.
Nah, but me I say when him do that for, you never need to really do that.
Man, say please shirt. I don't like him, man. I got to go.
Nah, me not know. You just, me not know. It's like you're going in a one extra thing there. So.
Thickness of that the man, Raga.
Eh?
They turn a rat.
If what?
If you see thickness of that the man, they will come to your house.
Oh.
Oh, you man, look.
Yeah.
Raga, you already turn a mouse.
No. You could have big look more and can get juke in the eye. Yeah.
Me afraid too. Me a woman.
Yeah.
I would have to wash a lady. I would have get a bad pan and so cold and wash clothes same time.
Yo, no, one time, say, when me in high school and thing or whatever, me did, end up do a thing with somebody from the school. I never know, and this woman, and I met me know, say she did one senior superintendent of police, Senior superintendent. So say one time there a woman yard and whatever, and another woman that broke me out, And me there the woman yard and things. So me no know, them house there where it's like them have 2 floor, but it's not the whole house a 2 floor, but it have slab roof. That makes sense when me I say to you?
I listen to you, Raga. I learn.
It's like, just imagine like you have a house, right? But then half of the house is 2 floor, but then the other half is just 1 floor, and then the 1 floor it have slab roof, so you actually can't go up on top of the.
Oh, we are trying to say we was up on a hill.
No, man, no. It's one house in a residential community, right? But you have a it's like a split up on the top. It's split, so I just half. I'm not explaining it good. It's just half of the house there at the top, but down at the bottom is just the full part, right? To the point where the half where you in, when you're there on the second floor, you can walk out of the second floor and go up on like top of the and go up on top of the other half. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right. So I this over there and I go and thing and whatever, and then when I see the boss I roll in and whatever and thing, and then she tell me to, you know. And I say, you have to run out and thing and whatever. And then, cause them time that me did really, really young, you know, I never, cool and certain way, you know, cause we didn't know high school. No, for real, man, I tell her, she broke me out. And thing, and she literally attend me for do and tell say, you know, go. And then me jump out now and go up on top of the roof. But she tell me, you know, when you go up on top of the roof now, wait until him him have to, which part him drive in the driveway, him have to kind of park the car and then come up and go up the step for go, you know, enter from the back and come in, right? So she explain everything to me, and me watch and thing and whatever. And then jump off of the house top. But you know them grass, we call them carpet grass. You know them grass the way, you know them thick, soft grass the way a Jamaica way, it's soft. You know what I'm talking about? You don't know them grass there?
No, Raga.
You have some thick, soft grass, man. Them not really common.
Water grass?
What?
Water grass?
Me don't know their name, but you have one soft grass. When you walk, it's soft like a what, but them thick and soft, you know. And I go so boom now and jump off, and it's good so the grass. That time in my brief and have my clothes, you know. You remember them old tighty whitey's brief there?
1994, my bad.
1994, you're back. Okay, well, you don't know them. No, man, them have some brief up here, they call it tighty whitey, some fruit of the loom. So a long time, you would never get me wear them, you know, but I want of them in, you know, with my clothes in my hand, you know. So, you know, say, no, so when me jump off, I think, no, me get towards the side, but me can't really go through the gate or whatever, so I go jump over the other side, over the other people in my yard now for say me I go take it through crabgrass, I eat near or whatever, yeah. For go take it through and then
me know land grass.
Land grass, yeah. I'm go so now and jump over this and that classic case of 2 big old dog me see and whatever. Me have to go so
murder
and take a fence and then me jump over a fence now and thing. But then the time now I'm out up on the road in my brief with my clothes. I want woman to cross the road and look for me. And she look for me in a shock or whatever. I don't ever look for her, you know. I just kindly walk on and my body is shaking and my white brief and thing and whatever. Don't ever look for she. You understand? And leg of the ends. You understand? Yo, some things I'm going to go through in a life, you know. I tell you, say, boy, I give thanks.
The friend tell me, so when the man told you the bottom man, are she frightened?
Yeah, when him start going or whatever, she shock the way him go on down. Yo, you know, so me can't manage you though. Can't manage you, you know. Can't manage you.
You what, no? She come down at the bar and say, yo, boy, what happened, girl? You're someone cute there, man. So I say, what's the what you drink? You see me? You say me clear, man. Because I'm not going to pay her there, man. I say, what go on? I drink rum first. Just drink rum. So she drink rum, no, she start talking her story. But you see her, so she not laugh. Say, boy, they broke don't know what they say, yo. And they call him man by name. I say, man, Tony Jal a while ago. Hey, Raga, see, cause the way man look. You see the way man look, Raga. And all the people in the community, as man as a talk. And if you say him just done what man a while ago, no, or in thick and tall.
Yeah.
Or in turn fish shame time. Raga man, the place, the bar broke up.
See it there.
Me got me Lisa bar.
You know what's that? You call the people in there. All right, that's your word. So let me take 2 other calls before me let go in the night. Yeah, you know, big up yourself. You know, you know when me drop at Jamaica, we have to link, you know, don't. 7. You know, so L.A. Lewis, I go here, yeah, bite him thing and come and Ph.D. you watch and see here. Yeah,
long as I Derek Morgan, because Derek Morgan pay everything to Derek.
All right, that's your word, man. Big up yourself here.
All right, Raga.
All right, I can take 2 more link and then see before me let go in the night, yeah, and thing. All right, 2 more link. Greeting. Oh, the person then come on, let me try that one, you know. I see where I go on here, so no. Boom, badang, bang, bing. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yo, Raga, wagwan.
Man, they are joke, you know what I say?
Boy, me there, me king. Glad to see that the man about again.
You see?
A long time I hear the man voice from Jamaica, you know.
Cool, man. You don't know what I do.
Bless up yourself. Love to see the man look good.
I give thanks.
Stay good, man.
I give thanks for brother, all right?
Yeah, man. God, man.
Yeah,
God,
man.
God,
Protection, man.
But yeah, man.
Yeah.
Look here. You talk about you jump off our stop.
Yeah.
One time a soldier man come catch him in the hands, you know.
Yeah.
And boy, when the man come catch him in the hands, after me done do the things them.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we hear the car, we hear the garage busting and we say, yo, pops there, you know.
Yeah.
When we look out, you know, and the man colors me see coming in, you know.
Colors.
Boy, a good thing is a man a technician, and I love work with the tools.
When they say colors are coming, what you mean?
You know the military colors, man.
Oh yeah, colors. Okay, all right, yeah.
Right. So therefore, so if you know, I see what go on. Man, I come in nice with him 16 for them shoulder, 9 for him hip. Yo, Raga, me for just rush in the bathroom, thing swift. Me just use my knee and just lick the toilet off of the stand.
No, man, you sure are 16, man. Soldier not get 16 at Jamaica, you know?
What you talking about?
No, man, then I get soldier 16, man. They get SLR and them gun, man.
1994, that time I listened to the testing there when they said the band, she band 1994, I said, bombard. And the sister, the young still, you know.
Yeah. All right, so what you say? You start going like say you fix the toilet, though.
You want me just lick off the toilet off of the stand, man, and back up the tool out of my pocket.
Okay.
You know, I just start do some work and turn on the water and the water start wet up the place. Yeah, so when you say, yo, what going on, you know, so no. When say, boy, father, you know, look like you want the toilet doing, you know, I come to do some work, but I work, I think I can't manage it that night. You know.
Night?
So if I come back and finish. Yeah, man.
I did what time?
So the man said, how much it will cost me? Them time in 1994, I said, it will cost about $600 still, you know.
Okay.
No, that's a Jamaican dollar.
Right.
I tile it then around about $200 and something dollars.
Seeing.
You know? I say, yeah, man, it will cost me, you know. I look at things. So that's about $600. It's so much work 9 items. So I can plunge it out, make it work so you can use it for the night. I man say, all right, do you think they know? And yo, my man just pay me and just give me my 2 bills, you know, and say, all right, yo, so when you come back, come do the rest. He said, when you have the money for buy the toilet, man.
Oh.
So we come back, boss, collect the money, fix back the man toilet, and start out the man wife again, and me gone.
Oh, okay.
When you say you jump off a roof, well, we've been there, we've done that.
Yeah.
So, and you know, when the man, when I say, well, the man say, the girl say, yo, can I hit it up and the man say, I'm not feeling it. Why? I understand that one.
Yeah, well, I'm glad you were able to work your way out of that one there, all right?
What? Yeah, man.
All right. No say a word, man. Safety and protection out there always,
man,
all right? Guidance. Cool. People, I eat that, you know, I'm going to let go, you know. Well, one more, and then we'll let go. One more, and then we'll let go. We'll see what I go on there, so. Greetings. Oh, all right, then. She nah deal with nothing and thing. People big up on themselves, you know, respect for the look of juggling in the evening yeah, and thing, and I don't know everything is everything, see, and one day I go on with the thing and whatever. My name Ragashanti, and me and Miss Cherry Wash Belly, right? I will do this because I love this, though, right? And I used to laugh, learn, and grow, though. What is? What? To join as a guest? Oh yeah, people. If you can you can subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I'm supposed to let you guys know that. Okay, you can subscribe to the Ragashanti channel on TikTok here. Okay, so there's an option there. All right, people, take care of yourself. I'm gonna leg right and I eat some food and do some work. Right, and I know I see some people left messages and things like that. I'm assuming it's those messages generally they're related to immigration matters. So I'll eat some food and then I'll go deal with the message them. All right. Oh, and if anybody interested in the Africa trips, the Ghana trips next year in April and August, if any of those messages are there, I'm going to address them now. As well as address the immigration inquiries and things like that. All right? Take care of yourself, people. Y'all be good now and thing. Blessings and respect. All right? Man. Greg Tan, big up yourself, you know. Make sure that you're following me. Make sure you're following me. If you're not following me yet, make sure you're following me, all right? Follow me.